Let's start, people. That's nice. Okay. So, hello, ladies and gentlemen. Please welcome to the brand new live stream of the Zbit, and ZbitX platform. So, we are back again live. My name is Yash Pawar. I am your host, and I'll be taking you to a certain journey of a crypto world where you will be getting to know regarding all of those things which you should know before entering into the crypto world, for maybe even for trading, for analysis, for any of those things. If you want to do, just watch the crypto. Still, you need to watch this video so that you can be helped and you will know how to conquer, how to see, how to analyze, how to trade. Every of those how and why questions will be answered over here for if you are interested in going for the crypto world. And I want to tell you this one very specific thing: why people are still not trusting crypto, why people are still not trusting digital currency, why people are into the traditional way of formatting, traditional way of finance, traditional way of doing everything. Why? The whole world is going forward. The Genius Group Bitcoin treasury grows 52% as 1000 BTC gold reformed. Okay. These are some news which pops up. So, it's here. Okay. News is very important, guys. News is very important. News is very, very, very important. So like I was telling you, why we are still stuck into the traditional way of finance. We should not be stuck in a traditional way of format. We should be ahead of our time. We should be ahead of like whatever people are doing. If you just look around once around, you will see that all the things are surrounded by the digital world right now. You call it marketing, you call it finance, finance in the structure of transferring the money, like going from one place to another place to here and there and that make digital. Your shopping is digital, your groceries are digital, your doctor appointments are digital, your doctor consultants are digital, your ordering anything, it can be anything, like legit anything. You want to order Maggie, you want to order veggies, you want to order food, you want to order medicine, you want to order clothes, electronics, you want to order a person that is also online right now. So everything is digital. Why we are still leaving the finance behind? Sorry, not ahead, finance behind. Why we are still leaving the finance behind? We are not, actually, because right now a new coin, a new currency has been developed. Not right now, it has been developed since, like, let's say more than 10 years it has been developed. It is called as digital currency. And trust me on this one part, digital currency will be the next gen for the finance or the currency. Like we have seen this one very specific thing. Just a second. We have seen this one very specific thing that whenever we have to change an era, let's say 100 years we have this drastic change. In next 100 years we will have more drastic change. In the same way comes, like every 100 years there will be one major disease which will kill people. If it's a natural thing, it's a natural thing. We don't know regarding it. Even I don't know regarding it. But after the 100 years, we have seen so many things have changed. Like in the currency way, we have started with the what? With the gold, with jewels, with stones, with paper, with just like some exchanging the things. Like I have 1 kg wheat. How much can you give me for that? And blah blah blah. The barter system and all those things we have came from to the paper currency. Now, even the paper currency we have going, it's for like it has been on more than 50 years. I feel that a paper currency is still going on, and I really feel that digital currency will be the next gen currency for all of us. So if you want to be in that place where you want to be early, like is those kind of things, like early come early serve. So digital currency is one of those things, and we have seen the worth of it. Like in the next like in the past 5 to 6 years, we have seen it jumped from 20, 40, 50, 60 to straight $100K we have seen. It is that much worth a cryptocurrency has, a digital currency has. It can, even if one currency, like right now, Bitcoin, Ethereum, they are at high price. I get it that they are a high price. Not everybody can deal with it. Not everybody can trade in it. Not everybody has that much amount of investment to invest in that kind of currency. But are just Bitcoin and Ethereum are the only currencies? What about the rest of the currency which are still there, which are still growing, some are still forming, some are still becoming a new digital currency, which may or may not hold a potential to be the next Bitcoin. It all depends on the that currencies uses, utilities, and all of those things which can make it the next Bitcoin, which can make it like that kind of investment which people did in the Bitcoin. They invested a lot of money, and when the Bitcoin became, one coin became $100,000. Just imagine what kind of profit that those people must be having. So why you want to be left out in those people? Why you want to left out in those scenario? Why you don't just enter? And I will tell you one platform where you can enter with this in a very most simplest way, the most easiest platform, and plus, like the title says, win while you trade. And that is a question mark. I will answer that question to you. Zbit is a crypto exchange platform which is live right now for all the Android people, not for the iOS. Really sorry for that we are working on that situations. We are having that some process issues and every of those things. We are solving the bugs. Okay, so while the iOS people can wait, the Android people can take advantage of it. And even I'm not saying that this advantage won't be there for the iOS. Once the app comes online, once the app hits the iOS app stores, the same reward you will also be getting. But let me just tell you this one reward for all of you people, that Zbit is offering you that you can win free of cost cryptocurrencies. Free of cost, like free. Like, who gives cryptocurrency as free? Not even a single person will try to give you a free cryptocurrency, but Zbit is offering you that. So please take advantage of it, and I will tell you how you can earn a free Bitcoin. Sorry, not Bitcoin. Sorry for that. Bitcoin is a very, very high potential coin, so obviously it won't be Bitcoin. So like I was telling you all people that Bitcoin, the free currency is a cryptocurrency. Which currency, how you can get every of those things, I will tell you. Okay. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to go to an Play Store, download our zbit.com app. Zbit spells like Z. You can see in the title itself, like Zbit. Yeah, you can see in the title, that's the spelling, ZBIT. Zbit, and then you can download that app. Once you register, then you can find out that there is a very specific thing you will be getting. What is that one specific thing? Out of the 3 cryptocurrencies, you will be getting any of the one. We don't know about the quantity. I don't know about the quantity. It is just an XYZ amount. Like, maybe it will be a lot, maybe it won't be. It's an algorithm. It depends on your luck how much quantity you will be getting. Okay, it's not like we are putting the numbers and we are giving it to the customers. No, that is not happening. It is just an algorithm, so we don't know what kind of quantity you will be getting, but trust me, if you are lucky, you will be getting a good quantity. Which of the cryptocurrencies are you getting? You might be getting out of these 3. One will be the Dogecoin, second will be the Pepe, and the third will be Solana. Solana will be the most, the luckiest person might get Solana. Trust me, the luckiest person might get Solana for the free, because Solana, one coin of Solana is worth at 145. The last time I checked was 145. What is today's price? Today's price is 152. Okay, so Solana is pricing at 152, and there is high chances that you are gonna win a Solana coin, that too free of cost, completely free of cost, by doing what? Just registering. Once you register in the app, you will be getting, out of these 3 coin, you will be getting maybe Doge, maybe Pepe, and maybe Solana. Go for Solana, because like, you are not getting options, but if you are if you are lucky enough, you would be getting a Solana for a free of cost. But does the reward ends over here? No. the reward doesn't end over here. There are so many other rewards which are still yet to discover. Let's discover one by one. Out of this 3 reward, I told you the first one, which you will be getting a free of cost cryptocurrency, free of cost. That too just by registering in our zbit.com app. Okay, it's an app. It's not a website. It's an app. Make sure that you are, just a second. Make sure that you are following that, what is happening? Yeah. Make sure that you are following the instructions very specifically. Very like open your ears and follow the instructions. Okay. The first I told you, the once you register, because a lot of people have those queries which is very hard to solve, which is very simple, but they are still getting confused. So I want to be very clear to all of you people. Once you download and then register, then you will get the first reward, that is Doge, Pepe or Solana, one of those 3 coins, free of cost. Second reward talks about, like, once you register, after that obviously there will be some process, there will be KYC process. You know, you are very familiar with the KYC process. Indian people are very like, you have to do KYC for each and every of the stuffs. KYC is mandatory, you have to do it, but just by doing some task, we are giving you some rewards as well. Why you are not considering it? Is there, just tell me one app, just tell me one platform, just tell me one website which is offering you some rewards after doing KYC. Not a single one. But yes, Zbit is offering you a reward for doing a KYC verification, and that reward will be the double bonus reward. Whatever XYZ surprise rewards you will be getting, that will be doubled the bonus. Like, maybe it will be, everything will be 2x situation might be happening. Okay, so for the 2x situation to happen, you need to verify your KYC, to complete your KYC, verify from your end, from our end, everything, and then you have to move toward the bonus, which you will be getting 2x of whatever XYZ reward you will be getting. Now the third thing which you will be getting is that, this is the first one, do not forget, free cryptocurrencies. Second one, 2x of the reward, whatever reward you will be getting. It's a surprise. It's like, it's an algorithm. We won't be knowing what reward you will be getting. Okay, so it depends on the day, it depends on the time, it depends on the person, it depends on the algorithm. Got it? But you will be getting 2x bonus of whatever reward you will be getting. Now come to the final and the third reward which you will be getting. The third and the final reward which you will be getting is see, once you register, from that day 30 days count. Okay, the day you is, for example, you are registering on the 1st of June, from the 1st of June you have time till 30th of the June to complete these 3 rewards. The third reward says that you need to deposit one, like, obviously it's a crypto exchange platform, so you are coming here to do trading. So for doing trading, what you need to do? For doing trading, you need to do a deposit. If you are depositing more than $10, minimum, like the bare minimum is $10, above that everything will go. Okay, so if you are if you are depositing more than $10, there will be high chances of you getting a surprise multiplier of bonus. What is surprise multiplier bonus? What is that? Surprise multiplier bonus will give you a high chances, like whatever reward you will be getting, the first, the second, now the third will, once you deposit that money, you will be getting a high chances of getting a multiplier. That multiplier will multiply all of your, like, you have seen, have you played this Subway Surfer? Yeah, in that Subway Surfer there was one multiplier like 3x, 4x, 5x, and once you get that thing, all the coins you receive, it will count the triple. Like one coin will be considered 3 coin, 2 coin will be considered 6 coins. That kind of multiplier I'm talking about. So once you come to the third process is what? Depositing. That is minimum. If you deposit less than $10, you won't be getting reward. Keep that thing in a mind. Okay, deposit less than $10, no rewards. Deposit more, $10 or more than $10, then only you will be getting that surprise multiplier reward. Surprise multiplier reward can be a surprise. It can be anything. It can be maybe 1, it can be go up to 100x as well. Now it depends on your luck what kind of supplier X you are getting. It can be surprise multiplier you are getting. It can be maybe 1x, it can be 20, it can be 30, it can be 50, it can be 100 as well, it can be 2 as well. Now it depends on the algorithm itself. It's not, like I told you again and again, I'm saying the same thing, like it doesn't depend on us. We are not giving you that reward. The app is giving that reward. We have just fixed that algorithm. We have just did that coding and all those kind of stuff, and now it depends now what people are getting what. Now we are not having any saying that like you will be getting this, you will be getting that, you will be getting this. No, we are not being partial. We are just being the neutral for every of our customers. So it depends on now you what kind of rewards you will be getting. Okay, now again I'll be saying this one more thing, that from the day of registering you should do all this process, registering, KYC, depositing your money within that 1 month span. 1 month span is basically 30 days of span. You have to complete all of your tasks to get that reward. If you go beyond 30 days, I'm really sorry, but you won't be getting those rewards. Okay, so at the time of registering, you will be getting the free cryptocurrencies, that is Pepe coin, Dogecoin or the Solana. Out of those 3, you will be getting any one. If you are the most luckiest person, you will be getting the Solana coin for a free of cost. And Solana coin, you can clearly see on the screen. See, it's my cursor over here. Okay. Yeah. Yes, you can see my cursor over here. This is the Solana. Solana is currently pricing at $152. You have high chances of earning a coin which is worth $152. Okay, so next thing, you need to do your KYC. You need to get yourself verified. After that verified, you will be getting a double bonus. You will be getting a chance to win a double bonus reward. Whatever XYZ surprise reward you will be getting, that will be doubled once you do and complete your KYC process. After that, the third process, the final process comes. No, it's not the final, it's like last to the final, it's the second to the final. The second to the final process comes is depositing money for doing a trading. Because obviously it's a crypto exchange platform. You are not coming here just to earn free. Even if you are coming here to just earn free stuffs, that is also very nice. So the third step, like I was telling you, you need to deposit at least $10 or more than $10. It should not be even the system won't even consider 9.99 stuff. Okay, are you getting my point? Not even $9.99 is not considered. Below that won't be ever considered. If 9.99 is not considered, so why 87654 will be considered, right? It should be $10.00, that is $10 or more than $10. And now it can be anything, 10.01, 10.2, 10 point something, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, maybe 20, maybe 50, maybe 100. Now it depends on you how much you wanna invest in it. Now after depositing, you will get a surprise multiplier bonus reward. Now the surprise multiplier reward, whatever rewards you will be getting on the first and the second, the third step will multiply it with the surprise multiplier. It can be maybe ranging from 1x to 100x. from 1x to 100x can range. You can maybe getting 2x, 3x, 10, 20, 50, 60, maybe 30. Who knows what kind of surprise is waiting for you. So why you want to wait and take a chance? Why you want to wait and waste your time when you can take a chance and win a surprise rewards plus a free cryptocurrency for worth up to $152, because Solana is worth $152. Okay, so that you can get from the Zbit app, only one and only app which is giving you free cryptocurrency for just registering, not even asking anything from you. Just for registering, you will be getting a free cryptocurrencies. But there is one catch which I want to tell you. Just a second. There is one catch which I want to tell you. What is that catch? See, the catch says all those reward will come to straight to your spot wallet, whatever wallet you will be having in the zbit.com. That will come straight to your wallet on one single condition. What is that condition? Like I told you, from the registering day, that is, for example, if it's the 1st June, count 30 days from that, that will be 30th June. So in that 30 June, you need to do 4 things. I told you in the starting 3 things. What is that one missing thing? I will tell you. If I list it, 1, register, 2nd, KYC, 3rd is deposit. Now, the last and 4th thing, see, now in here, the 4th condition, there is no terms and condition applied. Okay. Either it can be, you just have to take one single trade in our app. Just one single trade. We are not asking for 2, 3, 4. No, just one single trade in our app. And then all those rewards will be straight into your spot wallet. You got it? What you need to do in this 1 month, you need to register, you need to do KYC, you need to deposit, and then you need to take one single trade. Now this trade can be of anything. You want to just enter in the intraday trading, exit like this, doesn't matter. You want to enter and exit in 1 minute, doesn't matter. You want to enter, exit in 5 minutes, doesn't matter. You want to enter, exit in 1 hour, doesn't matter. You want to enter, exit in 30 minutes, doesn't matter. The timing doesn't matter. What matter is you taking a trade, first trade on our app. After you complete all of these things, the free and the multiplier bonus and the double bonus and so much of surprise rewards are awaiting for you. And trust me, all those rewards will be very, very useful, will be very, very it will be great, amazing rewards. It won't be very stupid rewards like this is to nothing, this is kind of like I never expected like this. Those are the things which you will never be expecting. It will be one of those stuffs which you might be getting surprised, and trust me, you will be sharing it to the maximum people. Even I don't have to ask you to do that. You will be sharing. Once you get those rewards, you will be sharing it to the maximum people so that your friends, your family will also be enjoying all those free cryptocurrencies for worth up to $152. Current price range I'm talking about. Okay, if tomorrow Solana falls, that's not my fault. Okay, that's not my fault. Again, I'm telling you, the current price range I'm checking out, you can clearly see on my screen, this is $152. If tomorrow it becomes 130, that is not my problem. I just told you, according to the current price range, that is what you can earn. Okay, and one more very, very important thing I want to tell you. This is just the rewards. Now, there is one duty. What is that duty? We have also made one very specific thing for our customers, so that like just coming to our platform, looking at stuffs, doing trading, it's a boring thing. A lot of people are doing it. But if you want to enjoy, there is something very new which you can do on our platform. And what is that one something very new thing? That is, you can earn from $5 to $50 just by pointing out our mistakes. Yes, you are right. Like if you just imagine that you are in a classroom and you are just pointing, like your hair is wrong, your socks is down, your skirt is having dirt, your this is having that, and you're pointing out some mistakes and you are getting money for that. That is such an amazing job to have, and that too you don't even have to like do interviews, come for interview, get that job and blah blah blah. No, those are things you don't have to do. You just have to download that platform. Do you see any breakout step out forming right now? Hi Ramisha Ghosh, hello, step up looking interesting. Hello Ramisha Ghosh, hello Raj, hello everybody. Thank you so much for joining this live stream. Thank you so much for coming on this live stream and every of those things. Thank you so much for commenting as well. I was feeling bored actually. Thank you so much for being here. And like I was telling all people, like I have one job for you, for which you don't have to give interview, for which you don't have to prepare, for which you don't have to do anything. You can do it from your home. You can do it at whatever time you want to do. You can do it from wherever you can do. Okay. And plus that job will give you a salary up to $5 to $50. Now, what kind of job it is? This job is the most perfect job for all of the Indians, because as in Indians, we are very strictly inbuilt, like every person has its own inbuilt situations, inbuilt qualities. Okay. All the Indians people have this one inbuilt quality that we are very good at pointing out mistakes. We are very good at it, and that one good thing which you are good at can make you earn up to from $5 to $50 just by doing what? Just by pointing out mistakes. That's it. Loving the life breakdown. What job? I'm telling crypto dollar, I'm telling you about the job. So the job says, once you download, like I told you this first thing, the new users reward, I told you the 3 rewards you can get: free crypto dollar, double the bonus, and the surprise multiplier as well. Now, other than that, this is the one part. But if you want to earn more from us, if you want us to give you more money, and that too, like it's kind of a job, okay? It's not something like you just come here, you roam, you saw something and you tell us and blah. No, it's kind of a job which doesn't require no timeline, no interview, no qualifications, and yeah, no interviews, no timeline. Like you can do it from wherever place, whatever you want to do, and then there is a no qualification, like you should be qualified and blah blah blah. If you're qualified in finding out mistakes in anything, then yes, that's the best app for you. Like that app sounds nice, sounds interesting. Yes, actually Nam, yes, it sounds interesting, I know. So what is that one thing? I will tell you. If you open a Zbit app, okay, and from there, if you find out there is something which is not working, or if it's something which is not right, like it can be, which we call as bugs. You know bugs? Bugs is something like I hope it's not a scam. No, it is not a scam. Trust me, it is not a scam. It is a like foolproof reward event which we are hosting. That is a bug. Wait, 1 second. What was the name? I forgot the name. Sorry. Bug hunting event. Yeah. Bug hunting event. It is, we are not telling you to hunt butterflies, caterpillars and blah 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 stuff. We are telling you to find mistakes in our app. If you find out mistakes, I will also tell you the criterias of or varieties of mistakes which you can find. Okay. See, first thing, understand you have to find what? You have to find mistakes in our app. What kind of mistakes? These spelling mistakes are not considered, but we are happy to get like those things. Like if you want to report those things, we are happy for it. But to be very, very honest, I want to tell you, first thing, spelling mistakes. That is, if the Bitcoin spelling is wrong, or if some other spelling is wrong, Zbit is not available on App Store. I know, Nami, I know Zbit is not available right now for iOS people, but it is available for Android. So if any of your family member or friends have an Android phone, you can start doing those. You can earn free cryptocurrencies. But I am really sorry, Nami, that we are not for an iOS right now. We are working on it. We are really working on it, and we will be soon on iOS as well. We will be soon on App Store. You don't have to worry regarding that. Namaste Yash bhai. Namaste money vlog by Ish. Okay, whatever. Manish. I'll call you Manish. Hello Manish. Welcome to the Cheesy Bit Zbit live stream, where you can have, like you can see the title today. I'm talking about the win while you trade. Zbit has offered two such greatest. One is not even events. The second one is an event. One is just, even I am using iOS. I am really sorry for all of my iOS people. Okay, I can clearly see on the chat section that a lot of people there are using iOS, and I'm really sorry for that. And we will be, even I am using iOS. Okay, so I am also waiting for my free cryptocurrencies. So I believe that you can wait. If I am waiting, you can also wait. Okay. So I'm really sorry for that you have to wait and all of those things, but it is what it is. We cannot help it. Today, we are still working on it, but leave those things aside. For all of my Android people, okay, Android people, you don't have to feel left out. You are the ones who are ahead in the race. Okay, so for all of those Android people, I want to tell you what is this event. This event is called as Bug Apple Users. I know it's sad for Apple users, and I know it, like most of the people nowadays, like Apple has become a trend. I don't know why. First, very few people used to have Apples. Now everybody is having Apple. People should stop giving EMI stuffs to a lot of people. That EMI stuff hurts. Okay, leave those things. Look, like I was talking to all of you people, like Zbit is offering such a, like when our app was not even live. I told you this one and very specific thing, that for all of the new users, we will be coming with the most greatest reward for all of our new users, and we are with it. We are coming with it. We are already came with it. That is, the first is the new user campaign, the new user rewards which you will be getting. That is, I told you already, that is free cryptocurrencies, double the reward, and surprise multiplier as well. Okay, this is the new user rewards which you will be getting, and there are terms and conditions which I have already told you in this video. So if you don't know regarding this, I can't see a single Android user here. Yeah, true. Even I cannot see a single Android user in the chat. Not a single, bro. Is there any? Not a single I can really see. And that's sad. One good friend of mine told me not to use app which is not available in App Store. Yeah, who is telling you to use? If it's not available in App Store, then how you are using it? If it's available for Android people, then you can go for it. Okay, Android people. Even I am Apple user, but just saying, why is that? It's nothing. It's right. But there are so many apps which are only for Androids, and like Apple users cannot use it, and they are not like bug. They are not having those kind of structures. And who is saying that we won't be available for App Store? I'm saying that we will be available for App Stores. It just is taking some time. You see, I will tell you. See, once you make an app, after that situation, what happens is you need to go through a lot of verifications. So you need to go through under a lot of process. For Android, for the Play Store, it is very simple. It is very easy. That's how you can find out a lot of those hacking kind of apps available in the Androids. But for the App Store, there are a lot of verification. There are a lot of process we have to go under. That's it, which is taking a time. Okay. So I'm not saying that we are those kind of things. We are going for App Store as well. It's just the process is taking time, so that we cannot help it. Okay. It will go by its process only. Why is that? Why just App Store? Okay, you got it, meme coin. I'm not saying that we are not for App Store. We will be coming for App Store as well. It just take a little time. We need to go through some verifications and process. After that thing will be live at App Store as well. Okay, so understood. Okay, thank you so much, meme coin. Thank you so much for understanding it. Like I was telling you, this one very specific thing, people that are once again. Okay, so like I was telling you regarding the bug event we are hosting right now. What is this bug event? This bug event is very special for all of this Indian people because they are very good at finding mistakes. They are born with it. They have this inbuilt situation, they inbuilt chip to find mistakes. So Zbit offers you one very good job without an interview, without any qualification, without any time. You can use it whenever you want, wherever you want, however you want. You just need to find out mistakes. Now, spelling mistakes are not considered as a mistake, like a bug. Bug is like if you type on, like for example, if there are options, okay, like withdraw options or seeing options, or you tap on something and that tap is not working. Like you are tapping, but that thing is still not opening. Or if it's saying something like if you open something and something else is opening, or else I will give you options. I will give you examples, a lot of examples. First example, if you tap on something and that tap is not working, you have to continuously tap and still it's not working. Okay. Other thing, if you're tapping something and it's something other thing is opening, that is also a bug. If you like if Zbit itself, like if you want to open the app and the Zbit app itself is not opening, that is also a bug. If you want to do some deposit or some, like at whatever process, at whatever things, you find a bug which is not supposed to be there. You know what I'm talking about. Okay, when an app doesn't work, you know that's a bug. So in whatever process, in whatever things you are doing deposit, you are doing registering, you are doing KYC, even you are just wandering on the app to find a bug and you find it out, that you need to report it to who? You need to report it to the zbit.com. You will be getting that. Good afternoon, Yash. Muskan says, are you facing any copyright issues for Zbit? Like what kind of issues? What kind of issues, Muskan, are you talking about? Like, we are facing a little, but what kind of you are talking about? Let me see if your copyright issue and my copyright issue is same or not. Okay. But yeah, we actually are. Yeah. It's not regarding like the app or something. It's regarding Aditi Ingle. Hello Aditi Ingle. Welcome to the live stream of the Zbit. It's not like, yeah, if you're talking about like few of our YouTube videos are not there, I don't know about this. See, I will tell you one thing. YouTube is working on an algorithm. Okay, it's not a person is watching it or person is looking at it or something. It's an algorithm. It's an AI based algorithm. When I was talking about some stuff like you can get this, when I was explaining regarding an indicator and I was telling like this is that percentage, you can gain, you invest this much amount and you will get this much amount. I see other companies named Zbit as well. Which companies can you see named Zbit? This is an interesting comment. I will take a photo of it. Okay. Your videos are not regularly uploading. Your videos are not. How are you, as well as your videos are not regularly uploading? What regularly uploading are you talking about? Muskan, can you just clarify? Can you just elaborate what you are meaning? But I want to take one of this photo because okay, I took a photo. Now, what kind of videos are you are not, your videos are not regularly uploading? What, we are coming live every day. Every day we are coming live. What are you talking about? That we are not uploading a video every day. Regularly it's not uploading and blah blah stuff. We are coming live every day. Okay. And the only I can say the company is named Zbit. Okay, that was not the issue what I was talking about. We are facing some, not even copyright issue. We are just facing the content warning things from the YouTube. If you are noticing that some of our videos are getting restricted, and that is only old videos. Yeah, old videos. Old live videos. Yes, the old live videos which you are talking about. Thank you. Like I never knew that people will notice that thing, that our old videos are not there. Like few of them, not every of them, few of them. It is because that YouTube live algorithm is thinking that I am promoting, like I am scamming people. Like when I tell you I give you some financial advice, I tell you regarding some strategies or something. I saw your reel randomly on Instagram today. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Aditya. Thank you so much. You saw my reel randomly on Instagram today. Good to see you on social media as well. Thank you so much. I really, even I was surprised. You know, like I didn't know that my videos are on Instagram right now. Even I was surprised. It will give a good reach. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for this thing. Even I didn't know that. When I saw it, I was a little happy. And the only thing I was not happy that they used my face as like the mirror face. Like this is the mirror face. If you don't mirror it, it will be like this, and I don't like that face. I like the mirror face, which you can see right now. But thank you so much. Thank you so much. Really appreciate. Really, it is good to hear. It's good to hear. Hope. Hello, Hope. Hello, welcome to the live stream. I'm really enjoying this, like the people are coming here live, but let me tell you, I have to tell you, like, see, I want to reply to your comment section as well. I'm not saying no, but before that, I will just pause for 1 minute. The comment section, looking at the comment section, very energetic you are today. Yes, I took a bath. That's why. It's not, I just said it for fun. I take bath every day. Okay, just like it's market good or what? No. It's just, I don't know. From tomorrow, I will be having 4 days of holidays. That's why I'm happy. Okay. Don't tell it to anybody. From tomorrow, 4 days, I won't be here. Yes. That's why I'm happy and energetic, because I have to use it for last time. God. Okay, so let me tell you regarding this thing. I have to tell you regarding this thing. Why? Crypto says why what's special? There is nothing special. I don't know. Even if there is nothing special, they are giving 4 days of holiday. I'm happy. It's fine. Leave it. I don't want any bad eyes to see my holidays. Nobody should interrupt in my holidays. Pinky, hi Pinky. Hello. Pinky's hand is also pink, bro. Nice. Pinky, what kind of pink stuffs are you hiding? But it's fine. Leave those things. Coming back to the event that we are hosting. People, low pitch voice, cute. I am not gonna look at the comment section for the next 10 minutes because I need to tell you something which you are not listening. You are just going for the comment. Okay, so listen to this thing. Listen. Like I told you, a best job which you can get, that is pointing out mistake and earning money from it. Money worthing from Pink flower. What about the butterfly, bro? What about the butterfly? So, and what about the cat as well? Is your cat pink? Shit. I am talking about the rewards. The rewards. It is very distracting to see the comment sections, okay? And then it is very distracting to feel what I will speak the next. So like I was telling you to all people that we have a job for you. That is a very simple job. That is very easy job that you can do from wherever and however you want. That is finding mistakes. Okay, let me complete this time. Okay, let me complete. Do not ask questions. Do not. See, I am bound to answer your questions. I'm not saying that I'm not bound to answer your questions. But for once, just wait for me to hear from the starting to the end. After that, we will talk. After that, we'll have fun. Okay, so finding out mistakes from the app. If something is not working, if something is considered to be the bug, this is not happening, this is not working, this is something very wrong, this was not supposed to be here, the withdrawal is this, that, blah 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 blah, xyz. Except the spelling mistakes won't be considered as a bug. But you can report it. Okay, we will make the changes, but you can report it. Okay, so all the bugs, when you report it, you have to go to there are even in right now, if you go on the description, you will be looking at the email of our email. You can go there, you can record the video like this is, recording video is necessary, okay, not just screenshot, because if you want to record a bug, you need to record a video. You need to record that screen recording thing, that in my phone, in this thing is not working. You record that video, you record that bug thing, and then you upload it on your whatever support, in the app also you can see where you want to report it. Even if you are not seeing in the app, then you can go in the checkout in the description. You will be seeing email where you can go and send a mail with your video, with what kind of bug, and plus one more thing. Okay, one more thing. Now, how many bucks will give you how many monies? This is a very important thing. Rewards. Okay, if you are having if you tell us regarding 5 to 15 bucks you find it out in our app, that will be giving you reward of $5, and it will be considered as bronze. Okay, we went in the medal section, not even medal, it considered in the medal sections. Okay, bronze, if you are picking out the mistakes of 5 to 15 bucks, it will be considered as a bronze, and you will be rewarding as $5. Okay, now if you found out the bug between 16 to 30 bugs in our app, and there is no limit, okay, you can find it out in the 30 days, 40 days, 50 days. There is no limit that you have to do in 1 day itself, you have to do in 3 days itself. Collect the bugs, keep collecting, for the 1 month, find it out, collect the bugs, and then you can send it to us as well. There is no limit to it that in the 1 day you have to find it, or 2 days you have to, no, there is no limit for that. We want you to come every day, find a bug and tell us about it, and we will be giving a reward. Second, it will be a silver, which means if you find out between 16 to 30 bugs in our app, we will be rewarding you $10 for it. Just imagine, just look for this one very specific thing, that we are paying for you to find out a mistake. Is there any app? Is there any platform? Is there anyone who is doing that thing? Nobody does that thing. We are doing it. So, silver is for finding out 16 to 30 bucks. We will be offering you $10 for it. After that, there is a gold. Gold will be giving, if you find out from the 31 to 70 bucks. 31 to 70 bucks you will be finding. We will be giving you $25 for it. And then comes the platinum. If you are finding out the bugs, which is ranging from 71 bugs to 99 bugs, the range, okay, 71 bugs you have to find out. Then we will be giving you $35 for it. And if you find out the highest, that is a diamond tier, then you need to find out more than 100 plus bucks, which will be giving you reward of $50. $50 you'll be getting for finding 100 plus bucks. And then the title also you'll be getting for the $5, that is 5 to 15 bucks. You find out $5 you'll be getting, that is a contributor. $5 once again, 5 to 15 bucks you will be getting. If you find out 5 to 15 bucks, $5 you will get, you will be titled as contributor. And 16 to 30 bucks you will be finding out, then you will be getting $10, that is a regular reporter. And if you are finding out 31 to 70 bucks, that is $25, that is a big bug hunter. And that is a bug hunter. And if you're finding out from the range of 71 to 99 bucks in the app, that will be giving you reward of $35, will be called and the title will be given to you as super bug hunter. And if you are doing it 100 plus bucks, if you're finding out in a app, you will be getting a reward of $50 free of cost. You just have to point out the mistakes, nothing else, and you will be considered, the title will be the elite tester. Okay, cool. And there is a special reward as well for a critical security issue, system failure, or highly complex bug. You will be also rewarded for the $50 if there is a very special bug, like a whole system is failure, if it's crashing down, or if it's not at all working, that can also, if you report that thing, it can also give you $50. Okay, now the duration of this event, how much days you require to do and complete this event. We are giving you a 2 month. For this 2 month, try to collect as much as bugs you can, record it, keep it with yourself, and then after that you can give it to us, the whole complete count with the proof that this was this day, this was that day, this was this day. And the common questions which we will be asking you is just a second. The common question which we will be asking is, when will I receive the reward? The time the whole event is completed, we will do the calculations and everything, and after that 7 working days, we will be giving you your rewards. What kind of bug should I report? Anything that doesn't work as expected, like anything that doesn't work as, like I told you already. Okay, and do I need to be developer to join this? No, you do. Like I told you, there is no qualifications for this. There is no qualification. I just like saw the few questions which audience asked, so I replied to those. The duration is 2 month. 2 month time span you have for finding out the bugs. After that, you need to calculate, you need to report, you need to record as well. Okay, do not forget to record. That's a proof of your bug, that you have found out the bug. After that thing, wait for that. After that 2 months, wait for the 7 days. We'll be calculating each and every of those persons who is coming on this platform, is downloading and earning this thing, finding out how many. So with that, we have to pay XYZ respective amount. Okay, so this is the thing which I want to tell you, that this is a very nice bug hunting event for all of those people, and trust me, this is the best one for the Indian people, because they are very good at finding mistakes. So if you are finding mistakes, and I told you in a very specifically in the starting itself that you the spelling mistakes won't be considered. If there is a spelling mistakes, that's not considered. If something is not working, if something is supposed to work and it's not working, then it is a bug. If you find it out, we will be giving you rewards. Got it? Cool. So that was the thing which I wanted to tell you, and I told you. Kuti, hi Kuti, hello. Welcome to the live stream of the Zbit and ZbitX platform. Please do not forget to follow all of our handles. We are having all the handles: YouTube, X and Insta. Please go and check out all of these 3 handles. Make sure that you're subscribing and following those channels, and because this can give you the daily updates regarding the app, the daily updates regarding the live stream as well. If there is any problem, if there is any issue, you can get it. Okay, so please make sure that you're following all of our handle, Instagram, YouTube and X platform as well. And please share it to the maximum people, because we have put ourselves a goal that we want to achieve, to make our audience achieve the financial freedom which you need in this era, which like we are seeing how world we are living on, like completely surrounding, completely directly, indirectly, just looking for one thing, that is money. Without money we cannot survive in this world right now, the right now world we are living in. So I get it, like most of the people feel very hard to be in that page where other people are, to look at those other people where they are and still be under them, and try to think that one day I'll be there, one day this, one day this, one day that, one day this, always talking about how my life is like not happening. And you have options in your hand. The only passive income you will need right now, because I get it, like you don't have investment to invest in a business, you don't have investment to invest in your career and all of those things. But what about those things? Like what about the most simplest and easiest passive income? If you are a salaried person, you can save a little amount, and you can save that amount, and then after that saving that amount, you can go for passive income, the easiest and simplest passive income, that is trading. And trust me, the cryptocurrency trading is the most profitable thing. See, this is the thing. Like when you see my old videos are not here, this is the thing. When I talk about a conviction, when I'm convincing you regarding how good a cryptocurrency is and how good the trading is, the YouTube thinks that I'm scamming you people. But why doesn't the YouTube think that I'm actually talking about something which is very, very important for the people to know regarding? Because the cryptocurrency is booming and it is going ahead, and it will go even if you are not here. It will go if you are there, because I told you the retailers don't have value in it, the retailers don't have worth in it. So if you want to be a part of something great which will be in the future, download the Zbit app and start doing trading. And where you have to learn the trading, you have to learn the trading from the Zbit app, Zbit YouTube channel, where I have started this journey, where I've taught people regarding from the complete scratch, like from the zero we have started our journey, and we are refining our skills each and every day, and we are coming close to become an expert, because that is the knowledge you will be requiring for entering to the crypto world. Not just that, you'll also be requiring to be a very attentive and open-minded person regarding the news which is happening outside the world. If you know regarding the news which is happening outside the world, whether it is a positive news, negative news, that will help you to achieve like few steps ahead of the rest of the people, because that news can help you to get some situation. Like if there is a positive news, you can start buying very early. If there is a negative news, you can start selling early. So those kind of advantage you will be getting it. And yesterday Ethereum was 3.4% up. Why was that? I told you regarding that as well, because the Meta Planet has bought more Ethereum in their account, and though that resulted in like the Ethereum's rise 3.4%. Ethereum was up last day. So this news also helps you to track the whales which we supposed to be tracking, because whales are the one which are making the market go up or down. We are just the flat lines are we. The sideways market is the retailer market. If a market needs an up or down movement, then we need the whales to make a movement, and we don't know when they are going to make movement, but we have built up few strategies which is also called as SMC, the smart money concept strategies, so that we can find out the people, we can find out those whales, where are they, what are they doing, and all of the stuffs. Okay, so those are the things which we are supposed to look in the market. And today again we will be continuing the next part, which we were talking about the continuous chart patterns. Okay, just a second. Just a second, people, just a second. Okay. Let's go. Let's understand. Let's from where we picked last time. Last day we finished bullish rectangle, bearish rectangle, bullish flag, and bearish flag. These four we finished last day. Today we'll be continuing the rest of the things today. Okay. So let's get started. One, two, three, four. Pooja Chauhan. Hello, Pooja Chauhan. Welcome to the live stream of the live. All the cheesy bits, Zbit. Just a second. Okay, let's get started. So today again we are continuing with our continuous chart pattern. What is continuous chart pattern? Continuous chart pattern is the one which continues the trend, not reversing the trend. It is continuing the trend. Okay, got it? Very simple, very easy, very simple to understand. Reverse will be like this, continue will be like this. Sorry, reverse will be like uptrend, cut and down, up to down. This is your reverse. Continuous is like tak, and then again up to up or down to down. Understood? Good. That is called as reverse. That is called as continuous. Sorry, continuous. Okay. Last time we talked about bullish rectangle, bearish rectangle, bullish flag and bearish flag, and I also told you regarding what is the psychology behind it and all of the stuffs. After that I also told you regarding how it looks in a real time market, and I told you regarding the three possibilities. One possibility is that the chart pattern which works the exact way it's supposed to work. Second way, the candle chart pattern won't work the way it's supposed to work. And the third, it will try to fool you. Got it? All these three, because you need to be aware regarding the situation. If some random situation comes and you are getting like, yeah, this is forming that pattern, and XYZ situation happens with you, which is supposed to happen 1, 2, 3. So in that situation, you need to be well prepared. You need to, like, whenever you are doing a trading, this is the best advice I will tell you to all the beginners. Have possibilities, have a lots of possibilities in your head. Like this can happen, that can happen, after this can happen, which can give you a very quick reflex of things which is happening, rather than questioning why this happened, I never expected this to happen, and blah blah, those kind of stuff. Rather than dealing with those kind of stuff, it will be very easy for all of you people, so that you can start having an open mind that these are the scenarios which can come and I have to act like this in those scenarios. Got it? Cool. But if any of the guys feels, or girls feel, if auntie, if uncle, if grandpa, if grandma, if mom and dad, any of those people think if they want me to speak in Hindi, I can speak in Hindi as well. Okay. Until unless people tell me, I will continue with English. But if you think that there is a language barrier, you cannot understand English properly, it is a little hard to cooperate, because I know I speak little fast. I am little I'm a fast speaker kind of a person. So if you really feel that you want to just go for Hindi, you are not understanding anything in English, just tell me that thing, I will continue to speak in Hindi. Okay, I will change my language. You don't have to worry regarding that. But until unless you don't have any problem with it, I don't have any problem with it. You have problem, I will change it. If you don't have problem, I won't change it. Got it? It's a very simple situations. Okay. So we are learning regarding bullish. The chart pattern we are learning regarding is called as bullish pennant. What is bullish pennant? I really don't know regarding the word name pennant. Let me just look at the name of the pennant. Oh, those, okay, got it, got it. It is something kind of like this kind of flags, like those. Okay, it's not. It's white to white. It is something this kind of flag, like those memorable kind of flag, like memorable kind, memorial, like the oldest people used to use for their sigil to be visible. This is the flag sigil, their house sigil, and all those kind of things. These things are called as pennant. Okay, cool. So let me just go and draw that pennant in a first diagrammatical way, then we will go for pennant in a first diagrammatical. Kajal, hello, cutest host ever. Thank you so much. Now let's go. What we were doing, we were drawing the diagram. So it will go something like straight up. Obviously we are having a pennant, so we will be having a flagpole. That's our flagpole. It will come down, it will try to be small, it will come again at the same thing, and then it will give us a breakout. Okay, if I draw a trend line over here from this place, and if I take it to the straight, yeah, this is straight, and from that thing to here, you will see that flagpole kind of structure. Okay, you see that triangle flag, which is meant for some religions as well. I have seen the Hindu religion has this Ram kind of candle, flag. So it looks like that kind of thing. Okay, a pennant. Now let's understand the psychology behind it. What is, how it forms, why it forms, and what are the conditions for it to form. Right? Okay. So first thing you need to understand that as it's a continuous chart pattern, the market will be in a continuous way. This is up, so this is also up. It's going up to up. So having an uptrend in a starting means what? Having an uptrend in a starting means that there are active buyers over there. The buyers are buying, new people are buying, old people are holding. From those old people, some are exiting as well, and new people are also holding as well. New people are also coming and they're holding as well. It goes in a cycle. Like for example, this person over here, for example, few people entered over here, they exited over here, and the new people entered over here, and the few people who did not exit, they are also continuing this. So this makes a strength. New people entering, old people exiting, old people holding as well. From this, maybe 30 people will exit, maybe 70 people will keep on holding it. It depends on the person, how much greed he has, because I told you this one very specific thing, that the market works on the two behavior. That is a greed behavior. Your greed will get triggered, or your fear. Yeah, fear, or your fear will get triggered. You are fearing that now I am gonna lose money, or you are feeling a greed that I want more money. Those kind of structures. Okay. So all the chart pattern which you are looking forms with the structure, with the behaviors of freed. I made a combination. I called greed and freed. Greed and fear freed. Nice word, freed. No, but there is no such words, freed. So like I was telling you regarding this thing, that it works on a two market behavior, that is greed and fear. Okay, so first, when the market is going up, obviously the people's greed is triggering, which is making them to buy. Until this point, a lot of people are right now there. I told you this one very specific thing, that in the retailers have a majority of people, like we are in a great number, we retailers, the common, the small investors, we are in a very great numbers, but at a same point our investment sucks. We don't invest a great amount, we have a very small amount to invest. Like imagine we are investing $1 where the coin is worth around 100k dollars. So yes, we are in a major quantity, and I will tell you one very specific thing. Quantity, having a majority of quantity sucks. People will say that unity is there, majority of people will have a lot of people to do this and blah blah blah, like we are in a group and we can take over anything. No, those situation happens if you are in front of each other, if you are looking at each other, if you are in a same page, if you are in the same mentality, if you are in a same home ground. But we retailers are in a majority, but we are scattered everywhere, scattering everywhere, which means we have having a different mentality, we are having a different thoughts, we are having a different capital, we are having a different greed, different fear. That's the thing. Now, having a majority sucks because we cannot make it a unity. We cannot make it in a whole group together that today we are gonna just do selling. Today we are just gonna do buying. Today we are gonna do this. Today, no, that thing doesn't happen. Every person has their own mentality. Every person has their own capital. Every person makes and takes a trade according to himself. So, whenever there is a strong bullish thing, now people will say that majority of people came together. Yes, at a one point where they came together, at this point, the lowest point of the market, where the market was at the lowest point, and from there we are having an uptrend, consolidation, and again an uptrend. This is a point where the market felt like the market was at 1,000 rupee. From 1,000 rupee the market came up to 500, lost the half of its, not 500, $200 the market came. We all people know, like the market is supposed to be at 1,000, came down to 200. So this is that point where we should do heavy buying. Why? Because market right now is actually at that price range where it can go again up. Even if it goes 500, even if it goes half of the price of the actual price was 1,000, even if it goes 500, that again my profit. So a lot of people, whenever they see that the market is right now is at the lowest price, a lot of people try to enter. So yes, we are having a majority at that one lowest point. This is where a lot of people enter. From there, now everybody has their own mentality. Some people might want to exit the market for 250 because they have too much of fear. They don't think that a market can go up to 1,000 or 500 or 300. They might think that market may fall again. So even if it reaches 250, they will take their money off. Strength is coming and going at a same point. It seems like a metro. In a metro station, you will see one compartment. A lot of people are inside. Once the station comes, people exit and new people enter as well. Same thing happens over here. Now people are entering from the initial station. Few people, like if they want to, like I want to exit in this XYZ station with XYZ profit, they will exit, and the new people will come at that point because they might believe that right now a trend of uptrend has started and now this can be an opportunity for me to make a money. So new people entering, old people exiting, and some of those people, like for example, if the people entering let's say Creek, if a people entering at the Creek, he wants to go to END, the last station. The Creek and END are the two last station of Dubai station. Now a person can enter who wants to exit at the last station. There is not compulsory situation that the first station person has to exit in the last station, has to exit in the second station, third station, fourth station. No, there is no compulsory situations like this. There is no such situations where they are telling you that you cannot be till last. It depends on you. You are the master of your own decisions, you are the masters of your own thoughts, you are the masters of your own trade. Okay, so you are the one who is dealing with every of the stuffs. Now this one thing that, yeah, the people exit at whatever way they feel, whatever wherever they feel, they will exit that point. So that increase, that is not just like constantly increasing the strength. That is like you are in an uptrend, the people are buying there, but at the same point people are exiting as well. So yeah, so lot of people entered over here, the strength carried on, we are having an uptrend. A lot of people at this point, this might be the point where we are separating apart. This was a point where we were coming together, and these are the point where we are separating apart. Why we are coming together and why we are separating apart, I will tell you reason. First, it was in the most lowest price range it was. So when we are in the lowest price range, we are supposed to buy heavily so that we can make the market price go up and then we can do selling. Right, we were together at the lowest point because we know when the market comes to the lowest point, we have to do the buying. At the point where it reached, in, I'm not saying in the middle people never exited, people exited, like heavily exited over here, slowly exited over here, because as is the last station, like if you consider in a metro way, from the first station to last station every people has to exit, right? So this was considered to be a last station where people actually exited a lot, because they think from this 200, if the market comes again to 1000, there are high chances that the market is gonna fall again. So they did what? They did the heavy selling again. Due to that selling, what happens is the market price again comes down, meets one point where people are not ready for it to go to again to 200. It won't happen like 200 to 1000, 200 to 1000, 200 to, this is not a chain going on. Okay, the market, it depends on the people who are doing the buying. It depends on those people where they want the market to stop, where they want, it depends on their mentality basically. If they feel that the market from 200 came to 1000 and now we have to do selling, they will do selling. And if it becomes at again 500 point, not every time the market is ready to go down to 200. Sometime from there again it can go back. This is a back and forth situation. Like I told you, tug of war situation. Buyers are sitting over here, sellers are sitting over here, they are having the rope in the hand and they don't know, and they are just pulling each other. Some are doing buying, some are doing selling, some are doing buying, some are doing selling. They are just pulling each other up, pulling each other. In that pulling, what happens? We create a sideways pattern. The majority, whenever it is not fixed, when we cannot find it out, when we cannot find out our majority completely, very completely, we cannot know regarding which will be the trend. Like whenever there is a uptrend, we have this one cool off period. Cool off period is basically deciding the next trend. This is where majority will be 70th. What is strong magnet? What is magnet? What does a magnet does? I want to know what magnet does. Leave it. So as considering this uptrend had 70% of the buyers and 30% of the sellers. Now again at this cool off period where we are thinking about what can be the next trend, in this it comes to 50-50 situations. I am not saying exact number, but yes, it does comes to 50-50. Just give me 1 minute, people. Okay. Now this is all RB, which I am not understanding at all. Okay, so if something happens, that's not my mistake. I'm not understanding these situations. I want it to go now. Yes, bye bye. Cool. So this is a 50-50 call. I'm saying just for a number, okay, like greater majority for the buyers, now 50-50 scenario, and again the greater scenario for the buyer. That's how we understand. Uptrend is why? Because the buyers are active. Buyers are active, mean majority of people are buyer. Now again the between period, buyers are not active, sellers are also there, buyers are also there, because people over here, like I told you, a buyer itself becomes a seller. This is a cycle. Seller becomes buyer, buyer becomes sellers. This is a complete cycle which happens. People who are buying over here, they will try to sell over here because they got their profit and they will exit. That's why I tell you that there are two options to take a profit. One is buy, one is sell. So once a buyer entered over here, they took their profit and they are happy with their profit and they are now exiting. Got it? Okay. So first the market went up, the market did the heavy selling over here. Once they are satisfied with their whatever profit they wanted to enter, and they thought like now again market came to its genuine price, there are high chances that market can go down now. That triggered their fear behavior and made R1. R1 is your resistance. I told you this yesterday itself. This is not a concept, it's an imaginary line. We make a imaginary concept that there is a resistance point and there is a support point. From wherever the market is falling down, we consider it as a market to resistance and we draw that line. That is an imaginary line. Okay, it is not meant to be there or something. There is if the new beginner think that there is an resistance line, I have to fight. There is no such lines. Okay, it's we who create it. It's our imaginary thing which creates it. Like we see a common points from where the market resists, where the market is trying to go down, but there are most of the common points where the market won't go and take supports and go up. That's us who creates those lines. Okay, it's just a common imaginary stuff. It created R1. After that, from where we again go down, as we are doing the selling, we are going down, and the market is not ready to make it go more crash. The market is not ready to go more down. From there, what they will do is they will create a support and resistance. Okay, if people don't know regarding this situation, example, this is our imaginary zone from where the market, this is our imaginary zone from where the market can take a resistance. That means the market is coming up. It wants to go up, but this is that imaginary point for us. What is basically happening over here is the majority is changing from the buyer to the sellers. Okay, there is no such thing like from this point it has to do that thing. No, there is no such thing. It's just for us to clear our communications, us to clear our all those kind of stuff. It's just for us. It's for our understanding. So when the market goes up, from there that will be a point where the market won't go more up and it will try to fall down. This is a situation. This is that situation. Got it? This is that situation. Very easy and very simple to understand. When the market wants to go up, it doesn't go, people resist, people will make it go down. This is called resistance. Market couldn't go more above. Okay, Support is similarly opposite to it. Market coming down, it can't go more down. The price, the people might consider that this is now overpriced. Now people might consider that this is like market can go not go more down, like this is oversold right now and it has to go, sorry, not overpriced, I've said overpriced, I'm really sorry for that. It is oversold right now and market cannot lose more its value. It will obviously go back up again to collect its original price. So from that again the market will go up. This is called as support. The market came down and at one point it couldn't go more down, so it took support and went up. This is our imaginary concept which we have set. Okay, this is support 1. Again the back and forth situations are happening. The resistance is making go down, the buyers are making it go up, the sellers are making it go down, the buyers are making it go up, which will create from S1 we went up and created our resistance 2. Again the sellers are active over here and then it is going down, and from there the S2 is generated where it taken a support and the market is going up. Okay, from there we are noticing one very specific thing over here, that from the support very slowly you can see the resistance is decreasing. Resistance is decreasing means what? The buyer is not able to make it go up to the original price range. Slowly the buyer strength is decreasing and it is making like same for both situations. The buyers and the seller strength, they both are decreasing. Okay, and from here it will try to go up and it will give us a breakout. That's a breakout we got, and you know what to do at breakout. We enter at the breakout as a bullish scenario. We'll go for the buy. The next candle low will be keeping at as our SL, that is our stop loss, and we are having a target. The distance between R1 and S1 will be our target. This is a genuine target. That's why I love chart pattern. Why I love chart pattern? Because it will tell you regarding everything. It will tell you regarding what can be your stop loss, where can be your, what can be your expected target as well. This is an expected target. It can be more than that. I'm not denying that it cannot be more than that, but this is an expected one. Like this is an expected one which will be there. Okay. This one, R2, S2, and then we have a breakout. Okay, so this is your breakout scenario happens over here, and then from there you can have a buying situation. Important thing to notice, conditions. Now what are the conditions? I told you how it forms. Now I will be telling you the important conditions for it to form. First condition, the market should be in an uptrend. Check. Second conditions, that the resistance should be gradually decreasing. You can clearly see R1 line is very above and R2 is low. R1 is above, R2 is low. So this is an important conditions for a chart pattern, that first market should be in an uptrend. Thus this chart pattern, if it's forming in downtrend, it's not a bullish pennant. Consider, keep that thing in mind. Okay, and after that, if the market is having a bullish and market is having uptrend, you saw the flag as well, and now you are noticing one thing, that one resistance came, one support came. You don't have to do anything at one resistance, one support, nothing. At the next point, if you see, then resistance 2 is lower than the resistance 1. You can be 50% confirmed that maybe this is a bullish this is, maybe this is that thing, like maybe this is a bullish pennant, maybe. What is the third condition where you can be fixed that this is a bullish pennant? I will tell you. For second condition was that a resistance should be lower, but the third condition where you can get confirmed that the support, it is a bullish pennant or not. What is that third condition? The third condition says that the support line, the support S1, S2 should be in a same length. There can be a minor difference. Minor difference is not an issue. Minor difference can be there, but they should be in a straight line. Okay, little bit, little slant, fine, little bit, not a major difference like this, like R1 is way below than the R2 is way below than the R1, not this kind of difference. A very small, like very minute small difference is fine, where it is not even considered as a difference, where you can clearly see it's in a straight line only. But if you go on their candle and you can see this close is little different and this close is little different, at that point you don't have to worry about it. Three conditions you need to look out. One is an uptrend, where the market is having an uptrend. Second condition is that the resistance should be gradually falling down, and the third condition is that the support should be at a same level. Minute difference, fine. I'm not saying minor, minute difference, fine. Okay, cool. So these are the three conditions for which a bullish pennant becomes a bullish pennant. And then I told you regarding the target as well. The target will be the distance between R1 and S1. Whatever is the distance, like 1.23% over here, that same you can get from the above. Got it? Okay. Now let's check out the three possibilities. I always tell my all chart pattern in three possibilities. First possibility will be where the market, the chart pattern is doing exactly the thing it's supposed to do. Everything according to, like I said right now, it will give you a breakout, and then there will be stop loss here, the distance here, and it will achieve a target, and we'll be happy, everyone happy. Second condition is the market won't do the things it is supposed to do. That means that the market will, from here, uptrend will be there, the all condition will be matched, like bullish pennant will be pennant, like it will be, resistance will be gradually falling down, the support will be in the same line, and market is an uptrend. All the condition says that it's a bullish pennant, but at a point, rather than giving an uptrend, it will give you a downtrend. Those situation also happens, so that I will tell you where it is not happening. And the third scenario where it will confuse you is basically market will give a breakout, it will go up, it will come down again in the way it will make you think that it is not meant to be an uptrend, and from there it will come down and again it will go up. That is fooling you, people, fooling you. It happens because of liquidity grab situation. They want you to be in their trap of the liquidity grab. Okay, let's go and check out all these three scenarios of the bullish pennant. The first, okay, so what do you need to, I will tell you very easy scenario as well, how you can find it very easily, the bullish pennant, because you don't even have to go for the line to candle to line. Just check out for one uptrend. See, what you need to check out is one for uptrend, one up. What is happening? But why this is happening? Like I am doing the straight line, but why this? What happened? Is it because of the magnet? Yeah, no. Oh, the magnet makes it stick. Wow. What is the other? Weak magnet. Weak magnet doesn't do anything. Oh, if you are very close, then it will stick. If you are very close, it will stick. Like even if I do a slant, it will try to click on that one specific candle. See the magic, see the magic. I found something new. I love it. Okay, this is that candle. I'm just dragging it on a sideways, but it is sticking to that thing. Nice. I like this thing. This is a weak magnet, and a strong magnet is like, even if, see, my bar is pointing out at this candle, okay, and my writing is over here. If I just drag this, it will directly try to go to that candle. That's nice. Does it only work for this thing or the arrows also? Oh, it is drawing the arrow from exactly that point, and it is having a strong magnet, so it is not even going beyond. Like I will show you. See, that's my magnet, and I want to make it go even here. I cannot make it go here. See, I'm pointing out to become out, but it is trying to stick to exactly to the open and close of that specific candle. This is so nice. Nice. I like it. Something new I found out today. Okay, so let's leave this thing. Now we were finding out the bullish pennant. What you need to check out for the bullish pennant is, like I was drawing you the situations, you need to just go and check. There is some up like this and some downward movements, but the downward movements is only from one side. Like it's going this downward movement. This is our bullish pennant, and from there, that's the same thing we have to find out. Bottom steady and this string out. Got it? Let's find it out. See, I'm finding it on the live stream because I really believe this one very specific thing. Like if you find it on the live stream, you are also getting like you are also watching this live stream, and you are also getting the thing like how it is happen, how do you have to find it out, and all of those things. So it's good. Sorry. Found it. So let's just draw it. So you can see market is having an uptrend, took the first resistance, came down, took another resistance, came down, came another resistance, came down, and then shoot up. Okay, you can clearly see, if I zoom it, let me just zoom it, you can clearly see all the supports the market has taken is at same price. See Same. Support is very similar, but resistance is gradually falling down. That creates our what? That creates our bullish pennant. Let's just draw the line of this, draw the line at this, and you can see that pattern. Okay, you can clearly see that pattern over here. That's how it is supposed to be drawn, and we are drawing it. You are seeing this, and at the breakout we got the breakout, and from there breakout we got the distance as well. Now it is said that it is that 1 second, let's verify the conditions. Market is in an uptrend, check. The supports is in the still like in the straight line, little minute difference, but that doesn't matter. But the resistance is falling gradually, that is check. And we draw the line, we wait for the breakout, we got the breakout, and it is a bullish pennant. Let's check the distance between the R1 and S1, that is 0.35%. Let's see how much from the breakout till here it went. We got more than expected was 0.35%, but we got triple that price, that is 0.90%. Okay, so this is your bullish pennant. This is how it will look. This is how you have to identify. Went up, gradually falling, but this is becoming steady. This is steady. This is falling, but this is steady. Okay, cool. You can clearly see that line. This was up till here, this was up till here, gradually falling, and they were staying at the same place. Little minute difference, like I told you, minute difference will be there, which is okay, which is not which doesn't matter, but it will be considered as a bullish pennant only. I will put it again over here, exactly the same. We got the breakout. Now from the breakout, what we need to do is, when we got the breakout, the next candle to the breakout, we have to check it first if it is having, we have to see this is a breakout candle. At the breakout candle, the next candle we put at the we put a stop loss at the low situation. But if it's the same, then you can go for the next one. That will be a stop loss. What kind of risk reward ratio we are getting at here? Let's try to put the long scenario over here. We got the breakout over here. Even if you do the breakout at the closing, this is where we enter. This is the stop loss, okay, and this is my profit. We easily get 2.9. that is a 3 risk reward ratio we get. 1% is your loss, and rest 3 is your profit, which is a very good one. Okay, cool. This is the first scenario. Now let's try to find out the second scenario, where it doesn't happen like it's supposed to happen. Or whatever we find. If we find out something, if we find out some fooling situation, we can also check out that thing. Let's see. Yeah, always in need of a charging. All the time we need just charging. Nothing else. Where is the charger? Okay. Let's find out the second scenario or the third scenario. Whatever we find out the first. Whatever we find out the first. Okay. Let's see. Let's go for some higher time frame, bro. Higher time frame, we can have. Let's reset the chart view. Okay. But it looks like that. Okay, we can consider this. This is the one which fooled you. Okay, cool. So market went up, took a resistance, took a support, again went up, came down, and then gave a breakout. Bullish pennant. From that it gave a breakout, and suddenly again it went complete down, and from there again it went up. This is just a confusion it created. It fooled you. I will draw it more properly so that you can understand. Went up, resistance number 1, support number 1, went up, resistance number 2, and the breakout. Okay, very similar, not that much of a difference. We have to see it here. Minute changes, so I told you we can see minute things, but the main important thing was the resistance should be falling, and the resistance is falling. Okay, gradually falling. From there we saw the breakout. After the breakout, the market tried to fool you. It gave you another down, ate all the stop losses over here. The market took it as a liquidity, and from there again went up, trying to trick people that it is gonna go for another round. Nikita, it is gonna go for another round, and from there again it came down. This is how the market fools you. Not all the time the chart pattern will do what is supposed to do. Market went up, bullish pattern, bullish pennant, gave a breakout, people entered over here, big candle as well. At the point of entering, another candle came, 223 candle came, took all the this thing, took every of the stop losses to grab the liquidity from all of those people. After that thing, they again went up, tricking. First they tricked the buyers, then they tricked the sellers, and then from here again went up, and then again tricked the buyers and came gradually down. These are the so many confusion thing. Buying, selling in instant. Okay, so this is the fooling scenario which I showed you. Now let's just go and check out the last scenario where it doesn't even do the uptrend and it goes straight for the downtrend. Every scenario is available. नहीं, जाने जान भगवान जानता है, मेरे प्यार से शैतान भागता है, मेरी पेन की लकीर से ब्रह्मांड नाप जाए, मैं लिखता नहीं हूँ क्योंकि हाथ कांपता है, ये वाला फिर I'm trying to find. This is the one. Yeah, you can consider this as one. It's supposed to give you this, but it didn't give you anything. But it's not that big. Nope. Nope. The last one, and then we can take a break. We will take a break after the last one. After the last one, we will be taking a break. Last probability, come on, bro. Bullish pennant. Nice, found it. A big one. So, check out this thing. Market went straight up, came down, went up, came down, went up, came down, and it's supposed to give you this, but it gave you this, a downfall. Like this is slowly, full downfall. I will put it here. And if you can draw the line, you can match the line. This is your this line where you have to match the all the resistance are falling down, and then you have to match your support line that the support is at a same level. Okay, you can clearly see now the bullish pennant. Just if I just take it down over here, yeah, you can see the bullish pennant. The market first, let's verify all the conditions. Market is supposed to be in an uptrend. It is in an uptrend. It created the R1. Okay, it created the S1. Okay, and now the condition applies. R2 should be less than R1. It is less than R1. S2 should be similar or at us like little minor difference is okay, but it can be in a straight line. That is, we can clearly see over here. From there we can go up. That is again R2 is R3 is created, and R3 is less than the R2. Again, condition check. Resistance is gradually falling and support is staying the same. After that, we need to have a breakout over here. We should have like this. This should have been an up breakout. Sorry, not this. Yeah, we could have had an up breakout as it's a bullish pennant. It is giving you and continuous chart pennant is from uptrend to uptrend should have been, but rather than giving it that, it created another resistance and from there it fall down completely. This is another point it created, and from that we can clearly see the market has fall down. So this is that third probability where I told you that I will be telling you the three probability. One where it worked, I showed you that as well. Second where they fooled you, I showed you that as well. And third where the market, the chart pattern won't even work at all. It is a bullish pennant. You can clearly see the resistance is falling down, support is staying at the same line. It is supposed to give you uptrend, but it gave you a downtrend. These are the three, 1, 2, 3, all three in front of you. So you should be aware of these probabilities. You should know such probabilities exist so that you can be prepared for the upcoming trends or upcoming all those things. Okay, now as it is already 2 o'clock, I will be going and taking a 10 minutes break. But before that, I will be telling you what we are gonna learn the next. Continuous chart pattern, and that we are gonna do it for now. Bullish, no, bearish, bearish parent. Okay, but before, and I will be this is a bearish pennant. I will be back in 10 minutes. Okay, and we'll be learning about the bearish pennant in a short time. I just won't need to eat something, be fresh, and plus I am a little tired. I am taking a break over here, just 10-minute break. I'll be back again. Till that point, I will give you one task. Go on the chart patterns, try to find out as many bullish pennant you can find. As many bullish pennant. Okay, cool. I'll be back in 10 minutes, guys. I'll see you. Sign off. Okay, so we are back again. Let's start our session from where we left off. So, like I told you, when I come back, I will be talking about the bearish pennant. So, right now, we are going to talk about our second continuous chart pattern, which is called as bearish pennant. Okay, so bearish pennant, let me just draw it for you, all of you people. Support, resistance, gradually rising, gradually falling, and okay, this is how it's supposed to look. Now just draw the lines. And draw another trend line. Okay, so this is how a bearish pennant will look like. Let's decipher it. Let's talk about it a little by little. So you will get to know regarding all of this, what is happening over here, what do we have to do, what do we have to understand, and what can be the true conditions for all of the stuff. So let's talk about it. First, let's see. Pencil, yes. As it's a bearish pendant and we are talking about the continuous, so yes, a down to down situation might happen. Okay, so first we are having a first condition that the market is supposed to be in a downtrend. Okay, downtrend a market is supposed to be. When the market is being in a downtrend, what are the active people? The active people are the sellers. Sellers are active over here. Let me just let it be. You can hear me. So because my handwriting is very bad, so it's better that I don't write. So as the market is going down, we are having an active sellers, and once an active sellers is satisfied with whatever profit they wanted to have, then they will be changing into the buyers, where they are gonna start with whatever profit they had. They are gonna do it. They're gonna do the short sell from this point to this point, and at this point, when they feel like the market is actually at the most lowest point at right now, they will start buying. So this is the two situation which happens. Active sellers enters, they sell the profit, they sell their content or whatever they have bought or whatever things, they will do the short sell because the market is going for the downside. And at this point, when they feel that the market is at the lowest point and they cannot go more down, and which is just like, it's not like they cannot go more down, it's just like our mentality, our thinking, our psychology triggering us that one prices has fallen down so much, it cannot fall down this much, and now it can go up. So this is a point which create an S1 support one. From there the buyer takes over, the constant fight happens. From here the buyers takes over, the resistance happen, the sellers take it down, again the buyers try to push it, the market go up, and then again the resistance comes R2, and then from here we see a breakout. Breakout is basically when the line, for example, this is your trend line, this is your market coming, you have made a line over here. If the market is coming and jumping from here, that is a support. But if the market is coming and crossing it, that is a breakout. That is a point where you enter. This line is created for us to know where do we have to enter, where we can get a possible breakout, and where do we have to enter. Okay, your battery is also low, really? That is fine. Okay, charge. Created R2. Now the conditions. First, the market is going, they understand the psychology behind every of the chart is same. The buyer is the seller, the buyer, the seller, the buyer, the seller, the buyer, the seller. Now the conditions, the important conditions for a chart pattern to be that specific chart pattern, first is how much? 4 minutes, 6 minutes, 6 minutes. Okay. The important condition is one of the first condition that the market is supposed to be in a downtrend. This is our first condition. Second condition talks about that same, the resistance should be falling down. So resistance 1 should be above, resistance 2 should be below, and if there is a resistance 3 as well, there might be scenario. I'm right now showing you resistance 1, resistance 2, support 1, support 2, but there can be a scenario where there may be 3 resistance, 3 support, there may be 4 resistance, 4 support. What important thing is that it should be gradually falling down. That is the most important thing we have to look for over here, that the resistance should be gradually falling down, because that is our point number 2, condition number 2. After that thing, what we need to do is we need to check out our S1 and S2 scenario. Okay, S1 and S2 should slightly gradually be rising. If the resistance is falling, the S1, that is our support, should be rising. Okay, so this should be, S1 should be below, S2 should be above. You can clearly see this is trying to make a triangle. They are meeting in a one point. This is falling, this is rising. That's what the bearish pennant will look like. This is the condition. First condition, that it should be in a downtrend. Second condition, that the resistance should be gradually falling down. And this third condition, that the support should be rising above. Okay, at this point what happens is, I will tell you. Whenever you identify there is a chart pattern, you need to identify all its condition. If all the conditions are fanning, then only we consider that it is that XYZ. In this pattern, in this example, we are talking about the bearish. If all these three, uptrend, downtrend check, the resistance falling check, support rising check, if all these things are matching, then only we'll consider that this is a bearish pennant. If it's not, then we won't consider that this is a bearish pennant. Okay, now again, now I hope that you have understood this thing. I will tell you when to do the breakout, when to do buy, what to do, where to keep a short sell, and every of those things. So how to do trade. Now, whenever you see a breakout, there might be one candle which give a breakout. Some people enter at the breakout situation as well, as the line is getting dissected, interrupted, dissected, collide, crossed, so many words, let it be. So once we see a candle is crossed that line, most of the people enter at that point, because sometime what happens, whenever the breakout candle is actually a very huge candle which takes the most of the profit, and after that we see the retailers entering the market, and the retailers don't give us that much amount of good momentum in the market. So most of the people enter at the point when it's a collision is happening. Sorry, not the collision, the crossover is happening from the breakout. The breakout candle crosses that line. At that point, most of the people enter because they believe that you are looking at this candle. Yeah, this candle sometime becomes a big candle, because a breakout is most of the time done by the big whales, which is a very big candle which you can see. Okay, at this point, if you don't want to have a risk, enter at least if you see a big candle is forming, enter at the 50%. 50% of that 50, like whenever you see a candle is like half, like already there, enter at the 50%. If you don't want to take a risk, if you want to take a risk, then you enter at the crossover itself. Your stop loss will be the next candles. H is like, the candle, this is a candle, this is H, this is L. Okay, whenever you see this H, whenever you are doing the bearish, you put it on the H, and whenever you are going for the bullish stop loss, you put it on the L. Simple to understand. Now put it on the edge of that, will be your SL, stop loss. After that, you need to just calculate the distance between this R1 and S1. You will figure out there will be this is a measuring tool. Okay, you will figure out this is 1.22%, and after that you need to go and check out some situation that this is an exact target which you can achieve very easily. Okay, after achieving that very easy target, it can be more than that. I'm not saying that it will be exactly that thing or something. It can be more than that as well. It can be more than that as well, but this you can get completely sure you can get that percent of profit. But you have to make sure to understand that what we are going to check right now, that there are three possibilities in the market for a chart pattern. One possibility where the chart pattern works exactly the way it wants to be. Second possibility where they fool you, and third possibility it won't even work. Three possibilities. Okay, if you want to enter, you need to make sure that there are chances that this two scenario can also happen. Okay, let's just go and check out in the live chart in the live chart if it's actually happening or not. And just 1 second, I also want to do this. Why I cannot see the chat. Okay, got it. Now let's go and find out our chart patterns on our live chart so that it will be helpful for you to know how to identify them, where you can find them, how do they look. That will be a very better experience for you. So whenever you are doing it alone, when you are going alone to check all those stuffs, then you will be knowing how to do that. Okay. Downtrend to downtrend situation we got. जाने जहाँ भगवान जानता है, मेरे प्यार से शैतान भागता है, मेरी पेन की लकीर से ब्रह्मांड ना मेरा लगता नहीं याद करता ये वाला। फिर downfall to downfall, resistance falling, but this is also falling. Nope. Downfall, resistance rising, which it should not, it should be falling. Downfall, rising, downfall, falling. This is our bearish pennant chart pattern. Okay, so I found it. I will draw it for you. First, the market is falling down, took the S1, went up, made an R1, took another S2, R2, and then straight fall down. Okay, after that it went a little up, but that doesn't matter to us. Did we achieve our target? That's what's matter to us. Now we will draw the lines. That is trend line. I want from here to here. जाने जा भगवान जानता है. And then the second line gradually rising. Okay, we got our pennant, we don't need extra stuff, so we will join it somewhere here. Okay, so this is, you can clearly see this is our bearish pennant, how it looks like. It is exactly the way I showed you. Now we will decipher these conditions and we will also find out like some key points which you should be checking out. First condition match, let's match it, that it should be in a downtrend. Yes, first condition matched. Second condition says that this is S1, this is R1, this is S2, this is R2. Okay, so second condition says that the resistance should be falling down. It is falling down. You can clearly see this is the resistance 1, this is the resistance 2. It is resistance 1 is above, resistance 2 is below. Now the support as well, it should be gradually slowly rising as well. Now if I draw the line over here, this is, sorry, little off I went. This is the line and this is there. There you can see a difference is there, a slight difference you can clearly see in the market. After that thing we got our breakout. This is our breakout candle which gave us a breakout. Now for the target, you know, it is should be the distance between R1 and S1, that is 0.59. Let's go and check out if we got from the breakout point, we got more than that, 10% more than that, 0.10% more than that we got. We thought that it would be 0.59, that is okay, 5% only we got more. So that is not a priority. Priority is that you got your profit. If it's said the distance between R1 and S1 is what? 0.53, and that is the profit you will be achieving, 0.66. More profit you will be achieving than that. That is a compulsory profit that you will be surely getting that profit, but more you can also get. This is a this is that bullish pattern which didn't made any like No fake breakouts kind of scenario happened over here. You got the target, the target you achieved, any of those things. After achieving the target, then it's moving ahead. That is okay. Once you calculate the distance between R1 and S1, the resistance line and S1 line, if it's giving you that profit and after that making an upward movement, that is okay. That is what a chart pattern is supposed to do. It won't fall continuously. It gave you that profit, exit, and then re-enter. Okay, this is the first scenario. Good. We found it very fast, but nice. Now let's find out the second scenario where it will give you fake breakout kind of structures. This is that third scenario where it's not supposed to do this thing, but it did that thing. Market came down, took S1. Array, it's line. Wow, I need a path. Okay, so the market came down, went up for the resistance, came down, went up. Array, yaar. Let me zoom it. जाने जा भगवान जानता है मेरे प्यार से शैतान भागता है मेरी पेन की लकीर से ब्रह्मांड नाप जाए मैं लिखता नहीं हूँ क्योंकि हाथ कांपता है. ये वाला फिर R1 S1 this is R2, the next candle itself. This is R2, this is S2, and then it gave you an up movement. Okay, you see this bearish pennant pattern over here. First of all, what happened over here is that we had a downtrend over here. First condition achieved, downtrend, first condition achieved. Second condition, it made an S1. This is R1, this is S2, this is R2, and this is S3. Okay, so R1 and R2, they are slightly going on. You can clearly see that this is dot line. If I point it out at the R1, you can clearly see that R2's closing is below it. Okay, and you can see it similarly for S1. S1 is low, S2 is little above. S2, if I point on S2, then S3 is little above. So it satisfies our condition. That second condition says that resistance should be gradually fall. The support should be gradually going up. It is going up. All three conditions are correct. It is a bearish pennant pattern. But what went wrong? What went wrong is that it took a support. It should not make S3. It should give us a breakout over here as it is a continuous chart pattern. But sometimes it doesn't work exactly like I told you. There are three possibilities of a chart pattern to work. After that, it gave us an breakout up, which is not supposed to do. So this is that third probability which I was talking about, that it will never do the thing which a bearish pennant pattern will do. Now most of the people will get confused, like, then in such scenario what should I do? In such scenarios you can wait. In such scenarios you can check about the volume of the green candles, because we need a volume of red candle in a bearish, and in bullish we need a green candles volume. If you are having a bullish chart pattern and a red candles volume is big, then you do not enter. That may be a case where it can not do the thing which it's supposed to do. If you are going for the like I was telling, it is a continuous chart pattern. Sorry, I was talking about the reversal, not a continuous chart pattern. If a downtrend, red line is having a volume, red candle, and if you see after some point when it's about to give a breakout and a green candle has a volume, do not enter at that point. If you see in a bullish continuous chart pattern, you see a green candle is have a volume, but at the end of the breakout, you see that a red candle is giving you a volume. Do not enter at that point. Okay, cool. So this is the situation. This is the third scenario. Let's try to find out the last scenario where it tries to fool you, and it won't even give you that breakout, which it will give you that breakout, but it will try to fool you a little first. This is the one. No, but the wicks are very gradually rising is not happening over here, but it's fine. We'll find out something else. This was suppose I can see it a little down coming. It is little going up. This is falling down. A bullish triangle pennant. It gave you breakout. Again came down and again went up. This is that scenario, but I'm not sure. Okay, let's talk about it. No, let's find it one more time. One more. We know where to find it. It is at 15th May. Pa 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 pa. Downfall, downfall, downfall. Hazrat, Hazrat, Hazrat. Sorry. Hazrat, Hazrat, Hazrat. Finding. Okay, this is that thing, but no. Rising and falling is happening. This is exactly a bullish pennant. This is another condition. This is that again the third thing, like falling down, rising, falling, bullish pennant, bearish pennant. It is supposed to give you a downfall, but rather than giving a downfall, it gave you a up. This is again that scenario where it failed to be a chart pattern. Okay, I want to see something for fooling, bro. Something for fooling. Fool. Downfall, resistance falling, this rising, but at this point, nope. Downfall, resistance rising, nope. Downfall, resistance rising, nope. Downfall, resistance falling, this little rising, and we get a down high. Nope. Rising and rising, no. Falling, rising, but it is that third scenario again. Bullish pennant but went up. Bearish pennant but went up. Let's find falling, rising, gave a breakout, but nah. Falling, rising, but straight down. Falling, rising, straight down. This is also bearish pennant, huh? This is also, oh. I even consider it, it's like transition from bearish pennant to the bearish pennant. This is falling, rising, bearish pennant, gave a breakout, and from there it fall down. Yes, found out. But you can consider this as well, falling, rising, and give you straight. Again, same scenario happened. Bearish to bearish pennant chart pattern happened. Okay, let's just take this as an example because we were not finding example, and finally find out we cannot just move ahead by ignoring it. So first we had a downfall to downfall. Yes, we are having a downfall. At this point, market took a support, went up, came down, went up, came down, and then gave you a breakout above. But after that, you can clearly see it gave you straight fall downward. This is called as a fake breakout scenario, where the market faked its own death kind of thing. We'll draw the line. If you don't want it here, I can keep it over here. This is our flag. Our line should be attached over here somewhere, and then this thing over here. This is that bearish pennant. Exactly right, bearish pennant. We can clearly see. Let's match our conditions to over it. First condition, downtrend, match. Second condition, resistance, falling. We can clearly see it's falling, okay? And this is going above. Third condition also matched. All condition matched. Now we have to check out the breakout. The breakout happened above. It happened above. After that, after a little while, it gave you a sudden fall downfall. This is just to trick those people of the buyers. Tell them to buy. After they buy, they take their whole profit out. Let's carry the distance between this line to this line, 1.4%, and let's see the breakout. See, breakouts should have happened from here, so we'll calculate from here as well. You can clearly see that one move is of 2.625, and I carried it from the half because that's where it's supposed to give us a breakout. But if I carry it from here to here, that one candle itself made the 4.2% market went down at that point. So you can clearly see, I have told you regarding all the stuff. This is the point where the market is fooling you, giving you fake breakout. This is a breakout. They made you people think that it is gonna be an uptrend, but no, it is a straight up downfall. If you would have carried this, let's see, if you would have carried this, it is going more down. Okay, till this point we have seen, right? If you would have carried this pattern till here, 10.75% vanished from the market. Boom. That's your ultimate profit you can ever get. That's why bearish like this chart patterns, it comes very handy to us to take a good amount of profit, to take a good amount of entry and all this thing. And plus, chart pattern will tell you regarding where you have to enter, what can be a stop loss and everything. This was the second scenario where it is fooling you people, where it is fooling you that it is gonna be an failed chart pattern, but then it's give you straight up down. They say that we do it for they say that we do it for like just retest in the market, but no, it's not. The retest is not happening. They just come here to grab the liquidity from all of you people. Oh. Kunal Sharma is saying Zbit X cheesy bit. Yeah, they both are same. We were supposed to be a cheesy bit. We didn't got the domain, so we made Zbit. So Kunal Sharma, they both are exactly the same. Right now we are learning regarding the chart patterns and how to analyze it in the real time frame. What to do in those things, what can be your scenarios, what can be your situation, and what should be your actions. Okay, if you have any doubt, anything, feel free to ask in the comment section. Feel free to ask. I will solve all of your things. And thank you so much for joining this please make sure that you are hitting the like, share and subscribe button, and also follow our social media accounts so that you will be aware of what is happening in the, if there is any major updates and all of those stuffs, we will be looking at that as well. Okay, so that was we talked about our bullish pennant, we talked about the bearish pennant. Now we'll go for the third scenario, that is Kunal Sharma. Okay, Kunal Sharma, thank you so much for joining this live stream. Today we are actually learning about the continuous chart patterns, how to identify them in the chart and how to trade in them. Okay, so because like whenever you are doing a trading, you need to know what kind of chart is being made. Like when you see, for example, when you are here, this is where you take a trade. At this point, see, this is a head and shoulder pattern, the reversal pattern. Shoulder, head, shoulder. This is your neckline, and from there, see, you can clearly see it's continuously falling. And I will tell you how much it can fall. The distance between the head and the line will is 2.10%. Trust me on this. It will fall for 2.10, 2.10. Yeah, almost this. Accurate distance 2%. Accurate distance 2%. Okay, till here you can clearly see the market will fall. Till here, that price range is 104341. Let's draw the line. 10431, that will be our target. This will be achieved very easily. Trust me on that, because this is a head and shoulder chart pattern, which is a reversal chart pattern. We have talked about reversal chart pattern, I guess 2 days ago we were talking about reversal chart pattern. You can check out in our live streams. We were talking about head and shoulder pattern as well. This is the distance of a target which you can achieve, and from here it can fall down up to this moment. Okay. Just for that thing, I will draw a line over here. Okay, and an exact thing from this point to this point, 2.11. Now from exactly from this point to this point, 2.11. Okay, and we'll also draw one horizontal line over here, so that you can clearly see that the target will be achieved at this point. I fucked it up once again. How much is it? 2.10. Yeah. Okay, this is the target which will be achieved very easily. This is called as head and shoulder pattern, which has been created in 30 minutes. Cool. Okay, so this is the reason why we are learning regarding a chart pattern, because whenever you see such chart patterns, there are many chart patterns. Okay, whenever you see such chart patterns, you are very sure regarding the trade. You know where to enter, how to enter, because in this head and shoulder chart pattern, what we do is we enter at our breakout, and after a breakout, whatever there is, like you can clearly see that is a hammer candle over here. You will put your stop loss over here, and then it will go. What kind of risk reward ratio you will be having? Long position, enter over here. This is this, and this will go up to this. Oh, I want to go for short position. Sorry, short. This over here, and this will go straight up to this. You are having 7.59 risk reward ratio. Just imagine 1% is your risk and 7% profit you can get from there. So please make sure that you are checking out all of these structures. Okay, this will happen right now. Very sure of it. Okay, so we were learning regarding the continuous chart pattern. And also people, if you don't understand English, you are feeling difficulty to understand English, you can tell me in the comment section. I can explain you in Hindi as well. Okay, until unless you tell me, my default language will be English. If you tell me, I can change it into Hindi as well. So do not worry about stuffs. If you want, I can do that as well. Let's go. Continuous chart pattern. We learnt about the bullish pennant, the bearish pennant. Now we are going for the ascending triangle. यूजिंग चीजी बिट ब्रो, ये नहीं समझ आ रहा. क्या नहीं समझ आ रहा? लाइक व्हाट? लाइक क्या नहीं समझ में आ रहा है? यूजिंग चीजी बिट ब्रो, ये नहीं समझ आ रहा. ये मतलब क्या? डिफाइन ये मतलब ये का चीज बताओ मुझे कि ये क्या नहीं समझ में आ रहा. आई विल हेल्प यू. एनी प्रॉब्लम्स इन द ऐप? एनी प्रॉब्लम? कुछ ऐप में प्रॉब्लम है, कुछ लाइक ये चार्ट इसमें प्रॉब्लम है, तो मैं एक और बार बता दूंगा, इसमें कोई दोहराया नहीं है. अगर तुमको इसमें प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, Zbit, यूजिंग चीजी बिट ब्रो, ये नहीं समझ में आ रहा. Zbit क्या? Zbit एक ऐप है. सी मतलब मैं बता देता हूँ. चीजी बिट क्या था ना, चीजी बिट हमारा मेन चैनल था जहां पे हमने लोगों को, ऑडियंस को क्रिप्टो क्या होता है, ट्रेडिंग कैसे करते हैं, ट्रेडिंग सिखाना, ये चालू किया था. और बैक एट द एंड में हमारा मतलब पीछे एक ऐप बनना चालू था, जो हमारा ये जो अभी चीज Zbit है, एक क्रिप्टो एक्सचेंज ऐप, जिसमें आप क्रिप्टो में एक्सचेंज कर सकते हो, आप ट्रेड कर सकते हो, बाय सेल, ऑप्शन, फ्यूचर, स्पॉट, जो आपकी मर्जी हो वो कर सकते हो. ये हमारा पीछे चल रहा था. पहले बन चुका था Zbit का यूट्यूब चैनल. उसके बाद उसके पीछे चल रहा था हमारा काम ऐप के ऊपर. ओके, उसके बाद क्या हुआ कि जब एक होता है ना कि एक डोमेन लेना पड़ता है. अब आपको कोई भी चीज, एक बिजनेस का नाम हो गया, कंपनी का नाम हो गया, या XYZ ऐसा किसी भी चीज का नाम होता है ना, तो उसके लिए ना आपको एक डोमेन लेना पड़ता है. वो डोमेन चीजी बिट के लिए अवेलेबल नहीं था. तो उस चक्कर में फिर हमने दो नाम सोचे थे, एक था Zbit और एक था Sbit. मोस्ट ऑफ द कंपनी लोगों ने सोचा कि Zbit ज्यादा अच्छा साउंड कर रहा है, तो नाम चेंज हो गया. बस कंपनी हम वही है, चीजी बिट ही वो कंपनी है जिसका Zbit है, बस इस चीज का डोमेन नहीं मिला. चीजी बिट का डोमेन मतलब कैसा बताओ कि एक नामकरण का ना, एक ये हो, मतलब यार क्या समझाओ भी मैं जैसे एक कैसे होता है ना कि एक चीज का अगर कंपनी का तुमको नाम रखना होता है ना, तो उसके लिए तुमको परमिशन लेनी पड़ती है और वो नाम खरीदना पड़ता है कि तुम्हारे अलावा कोई ये नाम दूसरा ना रख पाए. ठीक है, इसलिए हम वो खरीदते हैं. तो चीजी बिट खरीदने के लिए अवेलेबल ही नहीं था, इसलिए नाम रखा गया Zbit अवेलेबल था डोमेन में, तो अब हमारे अलावा Zbit एक्सचेंज ऐप कोई और नहीं बना सकता. क्यों? क्योंकि हमने अपने खुद का नाम डोमेन करा लिया. अगर कोई ये यूज करता है तो वो गलत हो जाता है. ठीक है, तो अभी Zbit पीछे बन रहा था, और अभी कैसा हो गया कि ये नहीं बोल के मैं 6. ओके समझ गया ब्रो, हाँ गॉट इट. तो ये कैसा ना, मैं 6 महीने से और मैं ऑडियंस को समझाना कि ट्रेडिंग क्या होती है चालू था. अभी लास्ट ही कुछ 1 या 2 हफ्ते पहले ये Zbit ऐप लाइव हो चुका है, और अभी फिलहाल के लिए सिर्फ एंड्रॉइड लोगों के लिए है. ठीक है, उसके बाद में iOS के लिए भी आ जाएगा. तो जब ये ऐप लॉन्च होगा तब हमने Zbit का भी यूट्यूब बनाया, और Zbit का भी एक एक्स ट्विटर प्लेटफॉर्म बनाया. ट्विटर जो अपना एक्स होता है अभी, वो भी प्लेटफॉर्म बनाया, और इसी का इंस्टाग्राम भी बनाया. अगर तुम्हें कंफ्यूजन ना हो तो तुम जा सकते हो Zbit के यूट्यूब चैनल को फॉलो करो. मैं सेम जगह पे ना लाइव आता हूँ. मैं चीजी बिट पे भी लाइव आता हूँ, मैं Zbit पे भी लाइव आता हूँ, मैं Zbit के एक्स पे भी लाइव आता हूँ. ये तीनों प्लेटफॉर्म पे मैं एक साथ ही एक जगह पे एक ही वीडियो चल रही होगी. अगर अभी भी तुम जाके देख सकते हो, तो तुम जाके देख सकते हो कि मैं तीनों जगह पे एक साथ में लाइव हूँ. तो अगर वो कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है बहुत, तो चीजी बिट छोड़ के आप जी बिट पे आ जाओ, जी बिट के यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब फॉलो करो और एक्स को भी फॉलो करो। हम दोनों वहां पे मैं ही लाइव आऊंगा, आपकी कोई भी तकलीफ होगी कुछ भी होगी वो सारी चीजें हम सॉल्व करेंगे यहाँ पे। ओके, और कुछ नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, कुछ चार्ट पैटर्न में गलती है, कुछ चार्ट पैटर्न में नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, ट्रेडिंग कैसे करना है, ये वो चीजें। हाँ, कुणाल शर्मा, थैंक यू सो मच कुणाल शर्मा, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग दिस लाइव स्ट्रीम। और प्लीज बने रहना, अभी हमारे पास नहीं बोल के भी आई गेस 40 और 40 मिनट की लाइव स्ट्रीम बाकी है। हम डेली 4 घंटे की लाइव स्ट्रीम करते हैं डेली। अभी फिलहाल में वैसे तो एक एंकर है, जैसे मैं हूं एक, मतलब जब वर्किंग डेज होता है तो 2 एंकर होते हैं। एक जाता है 12 से 4 तक लाइव और दूसरा जाता है 4 से 8 तक का लाइव। ये दुबई की टाइमिंग बता रहा हूं मैं, इंडिया की टाइमिंग के हिसाब से हो गया 1 और आधा घंटा आगे पकड़ के चलो। अगर 12 बजे बोल रहा हूं तो वो इंडिया में चालू हो जाएगा 1:30 में चालू हो जाएगा वहां पे, और 4 बजे खत्म होना तो 5:30 1:30 से लेके 5:30 तक की पहली लाइव होती है। सेकेंड लाइव होती है 5:30 से लेके 8 9:30 5:30 से लेके 9:30 तक की दूसरी लाइव होती है। बट बीच बीच में छुट्टियां भी आती रहती है, तो 2 एंकर है। अगर एक ही एंकर मिलता है आपको एक टाइम पे, अगर दूसरा एंकर छुट्टी पे है, तो नॉर्मल जो टाइमिंग होता है वो 12 से 4 दुबई का टाइमिंग, यहां पे दुबई का टाइमिंग है ये। आयुष ब्रो आएगा क्या? आयुष ब्रो कौन आयुष? आयुष कौन? मैं आयुष कौन प्लीज मैं जानना चाहूंगा, आयुष कौन? हु इज आयुष? वेटिंग कुणाल शर्मा जी, आयुष कौन है? हमें भी बताओ ये आयुष कौन है? ट्रायंगल, ठीक है, ये तो हो जाएगा। अच्छी, इसको साइड में कर देते हैं अपन और इसको भी साइड में कर देते हैं। आयुष रावत मुझे नहीं पता भाई सही में, आयुष रावत, I really don't know him. See, मैं होस्ट हूँ, आई एम अ लाइव स्ट्रीम होस्ट। मे बी आयुष रावत सेल्स टीम में से कोई होगा, मतलब लाइक सेल्स टीम भी है हमारी, CS टीम भी है हमारी, अलग अलग टीम है। तो आप अगर सेल्स टीम के कॉल से यहाँ पे आए हो तो वो सेल्स में है। मेरे को सब लोगों के नाम अच्छे से पता नहीं है, तो उसके लिए वेरी वेरी सॉरी। बट लाइव स्ट्रीम पे 2 ही लोग लाइव आएंगे, मतलब एक मैं होस्ट हूँ यहाँ पे, मेरा नाम यश पवार है, एंड एक दूसरी लड़की आएगी यहाँ पे लाइव, उसका नाम निदा आफरीन है। हम 2 ही होस्ट है अभी फिलहाल के लिए। तो नहीं, आयुष रावत नहीं आएंगे लाइव स्ट्रीम पे, सिर्फ मैं यश पवार एंड दी अदर गर्ल। यस, सेल्स टीम में है। हाँ, फिर यस सेल्स टीम सिर्फ सेल्स में रहती है। जैसे ये लाइव स्ट्रीम है तो मैं लाइव स्ट्रीम होस्ट हूँ। होस्ट यहाँ पे सिर्फ 2 ही लोग हैं। चीजी बिट में भी फिलहाल के लिए 2 होस्ट है जो यूट्यूब पे लाइव जाता है। मेरा नाम यश पवार है एंड एक लड़की है उसका नाम निदा आफरीन है। उसके आप यूट्यूब पे, मतलब ये आप जब हमारा चैनल देखोगे तो आपको 2 लोग दिखेंगे, सिर्फ एक मैं और एक दूसरी लड़की। ओके ब्रो, ओके कुणाल शर्मा, ओके थैंक यू। तो लाइव स्ट्रीम के लिए 2 ही है, एक मैं, मेरा नाम यश पवार है। ओके, ठीक है, तो शुरू करें फिर। और कुछ है चीजें कुणाल शर्मा बोलने के लिए तो प्लीज बोल दो। कुछ डाउट है, कुछ क्लियर करना है, कुछ समझना है, कुछ समझना चाहते हो, कुछ बात करना चाहते हो, कुछ बोलना चाहते हो, कुछ जानना चाहते हो, जो भी तुम्हारे दिल में कर रहा है तुम बोल सकते हो। नहीं तो हम हमारा टॉपिक कंटिन्यू करते हैं अभी, जैसे कि असेंडिंग ट्राइंगल हम पढ़ रहे थे। ठीक है, वी वर लर्निंग अबाउट असेंडिंग ट्राइंगल। अगर तुमको कोई प्रॉब्लम है इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज से तो प्लीज वो भी बता दो, क्योंकि मैं डिफॉल्ट लैंग्वेज में मैं सिर्फ इंग्लिश में बात करूंगा। अगर आपको कुछ चीज चाहिए जो आपको नहीं समझ में आ रही है, मैं उसको हिंदी में समझा दूंगा, आपको कोई टेंशन लेने की जरूरत नहीं है। ठीक है, ठीक। सो सबसे पहले एक चीज जानते हैं कि हमने the first thing we want to know is the continuous chart pattern. We talked about two chart patterns. One is bearish pennant and bullish pennant. We saw how to identify it, how to take a trade in it, what kind of target we can achieve, and what kind of three possibilities is also there. Because market में क्या होता है ना कि market कभी अपने हिसाब से नहीं चलता. हम लोग कैसे ना, हम रिटेलर्स होते हैं. अगर जानना चाहो तो इस बात को, वी आर द रिटेलर्स. ओके, रिटेलर्स का कोई वर्थ नहीं होता. मार्केट हैंडल करता है एक तो वो मार्केट हैंडल करने वाली कंपनी प्लस द बिग वेल्स, जो बड़ा पैसा है इनके पास. बड़ा पैसा करोड़ वाला नहीं बोल रहा हूं मैं. एक रिटेलर का प्राइस रेंज मैं बता दूं थोड़ा सी देर के लिए. रिटेलर का प्राइस रेंज हो गया कि कैपिटल का प्राइस रेंज, मतलब एक कैपिटल कितना बड़ा हो सकता है रिटेलर का. जो हम लोग हैं, हम छोटे इन्वेस्टर हैं, हमारा कैपिटल हो सकता है शून्य से लेके, मतलब जीरो से लेके नहीं बोल के 50-60 करोड़ तक का हम कैपिटल रख सकते हैं. उतना ही हमारे अंदर होता है. ठीक है. इसके अलावा जो बड़े लोग बैठे हुए हैं एकदम, मतलब वहां बैठे हुए हैं, वो उनका कैपिटल होता है 1000, 2000, 3000, 5000 करोड़ तक का. वो जब ट्रेड लेते हैं, अभी एक रिटेलर की मेंटालिटी में बताता हूं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आपके अकाउंट में ना 100 से नहीं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपके अकाउंट में 5000 है. आप कभी 5000 का पूरा ट्रेड नहीं लेते. आप उस अकाउंट में से 1 या 2% का ट्रेड लेते हो. जैसे कि हो गया 5000 का 1 या 2%, नहीं बोल के आप उस पे लगा दोगे 1000, लगा दोगे 1000 का ट्रेड ले लोगे, या फिर 500 या 600, 700, 800 का ट्रेड ले लोगे, या ज्यादा ज्यादा एकदम बहुत ही रिस्क ले लिया तो 2000 का ट्रेड ले लोगे. पूरा कैपिटल एक साथ में आप कभी नहीं झोंकते, क्योंकि वो हमारे अंदर बना ही नहीं. हमको है रिटेलर, हम जो छोटे लोग होते हैं, हमको पैसे बचा के रखना है. एक साथ पूरे खर्च नहीं कर सकते हम लोग. धीरे 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 धीरे, ये धीरे देंगे, उसमें से कुछ आएगा, फिर वो जमा होगा, फिर उसमें से कुछ धीरे देंगे, फिर उसमें से कुछ जमा होगा. ये हमारी मेंटालिटी होती है. जो ये ऊपर बड़े लोग बैठे हुए होते हैं ना, उनकी ये मेंटालिटी नहीं होती, क्योंकि उनके पास बचाने का वो उनका ये नहीं है मेंटालिटी कि मुझे बचाना है, मुझे पैसे बचाना नहीं. उनको है कि जो है लगा दो, क्योंकि उनके पास है, पड़ा है पीछे बहुत, अपने पास नहीं है, उनके पास पड़ा हुआ है. तो वो लगाते हैं बड़ा बड़ा पैसा, उनसे बनती है बड़ी बड़ी कैंडल, और अपने से बनती है छोटी छोटी कैंडल. तो ये जो कैंडलस्टिक चार्ट पैटर्न होता है ना, ये बहुत आसान कर देता है हमें ये समझाना कि बड़ा कैंडल और छोटा कैंडल कौन है, हमें कब एंट्री लेनी चाहिए, हमें कब एंट्री नहीं लेनी चाहिए. इसके पॉसिबिलिटीज भी मैं बताता हूं. लाइक जैसे मैंने चार्ट पैटर्न को एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूं, तो मैं इसको 3 वे में एक्सप्लेन करता हूं. एक, जो चार्ट पैटर्न वैसा का वैसा बनता है जो होना चाहिए. जैसे अभी हम कंटिन्यू चार्ट पैटर्न पढ़ रहे हैं, असेंडिंग चार्ट पैटर्न पे ड्रॉ कर देता हूं असेंडिंग चार्ट पैटर्न, तो तुमको ज्यादा अच्छे समझ में आएगा. लेट्स गो. R1 ड्रॉ लाइन सपोर्ट, ठीक है. ये S1, R1 फिर वहीं पे, S1 थोड़ा ऊपर, R1 फिर वहीं पे, S1 थोड़ा ऊपर, R1 फिर वहीं पे, S1 थोड़ा ऊपर, एंड देन ब्रेकआउट मिल गया अपन को. ओके, ये ऐसा कुछ चार्ट दिखेगा आपको, और ये मैं दिखाऊंगा भी. हाँ, टेंशन नहीं लेना, मैं लाइव चार्ट में भी दिखाऊंगा. पहले समझ लो, फिर मैं दिखाता भी हूँ. ओके, अभी हम लाइन बनाएंगे. ये हो गया अपनी एक रेजिस्टेंस की लाइन, और ये हो गया अपना सपोर्ट का लाइन. ठीक है, ये कहीं ना कहीं जाके मैच करेगा और एक ट्रायंगल बना देगा. अभी मैच नहीं कर रहा है क्योंकि मैंने थोड़ा बड़ा बड़ा ले लिया है. इसको थोड़ा छोटा कर दूँ तो मैच हो जाएगा. ठीक है, ऐप लॉन्च करो iOS में. कर रहे हैं. मुझे भी दुख है, मैं भी iOS यूज कर रहा हूँ, मुझे भी बड़ा दुख है कि ये नहीं कर रहे हैं ये लोग. मतलब वो कैसा होता है ना कि एंड्रॉयड और ऐप स्टोर का ना एक प्रोसेस होता है, एक वेरिफिकेशन प्रोसेस वगैरह फलाना ढिमकाना होता है. जब ये जो प्ले स्टोर अपना एंड्रॉयड का ना, वो जल्दी से हो जाता है क्योंकि वहाँ पे इतनी कोई रिस्ट्रिक्शंस नहीं है. ऐप स्टोर में बहुत चीज़ें बारीकी से देखी जाती है क्योंकि वो iOS थोड़ा सा ना हाई प्राइवेसी ये सब चीज़ें होती है. तो उस चक्कर में जो प्रोसेस वेरिफिकेशन और सब चीज़ें ना बहुत बारीकी से देखी जाती है, तो इसलिए उसका समय लग रहा है. अब एंड्रॉइड में जल्दी वेरीफाई हो गया, जल्दी प्रोसेस हो गई, तो हमने लॉन्च भी कर दिया कि ठीक है, हम वेट नहीं करते दोनों एक साथ लॉन्च करने का, अब एक आ गया है तो पहले इसको कर ही देते। ये हो रहा है, ऐसा नहीं बोल रहा कि नहीं हो रहा है, ये हो रहा है, इसका वेरिफिकेशन प्रोसेस हो रहा है। और कुणाल शर्मा, आपको ये पता है कि क्या क्या मिलने वाला है एक न्यू यूजर को? जैसे आप अभी न्यू यूजर हो गए, आप डाउनलोड करोगे ऐप, आपको क्या क्या चीजें प्रोवाइड होगी Zbit की तरफ से, जो एक रिवॉर्ड की तरह होता है। मैं बता देता हूं। जब सबसे पहले Zbit का ऐप डाउनलोड करोगे, रजिस्टर करने के ऊपर सबसे पहले आपको ना फ्री का क्रिप्टो करेंसी मिलेंगी, फ्री क्रिप्टो करेंसी। उसमें भी कौन सी मिल सकती है मैं बता देता हूं, तीनों में से एक मिल सकती है, वो एल्गोरिदम के ऊपर होता है। अब आपको कौन सी मिलेंगी वो आपके लक के ऊपर डिपेंड है। एक मिल सकती है आपको डॉज कॉइन। ब्रो आवाज नहीं आ रही, हेलो आ रही है? हेलो, स्ट्रीमिंग लैगिंग, स्ट्रीम लैग हो रही है अभी। हेलो हेलो, अभी ठीक है, अभी ठीक है, अभी ठीक है, अभी ठीक है, अभी ठीक है। हेलो हेलो हेलो, माइक चेक 1 2 3, जाने जा भगवान जानता है। हेलो, आ रही है अभी बराबर? कुणाल शर्मा जी, लाइव हाँ आ रही है। इट्स कमिंग, इट्स कमिंग, इट्स कमिंग। मे बी एक अगर स्ट्रीम लैग कर रही है ना, थोड़ा सा बाहर जाके ना वापस अंदर आ जाना, अगर ऐसा हो रहा है तो ठीक है। सो सबसे पहले मैं जो ये चीजें बोल रहा था कि सबसे पहले जब आप Zbit का ऐप डाउनलोड करते हो, रजिस्टर करने के ऊपर आपको ना 3 कॉइन मिलते हैं, तीनों में से एक कोई कॉइन मिलेगा। एक तो डोज कॉइन हो गया, या फिर पेपे कॉइन हो गया, या फिर सोलाना हो गया। आपको मिल सकता है सोलाना जीतने का मौका। सोलाना 152 लास्ट देखा तो उतना ही था शायद तक, या $150 का एक कॉइन है वो। जब आप रजिस्टर करते हो तो आपको सबसे पहले इनमें से एक, तीनों में से कोई एक क्रिप्टो टोकन्स दिया जाता है। अब वो कितने क्वांटिटी में देते हैं, क्या देते हैं, वो आपके लक पे, क्योंकि हमने एल्गोरिदम पे सेट कर रखा है। सब लोगों को सिमिलर नहीं मिलेगा, सब किसी को कुछ, किसी को कुछ, किसी को कुछ, किसी को कुछ, ऐसा। सेकेंड चीज रिवॉर्ड जो मिलेगी, जैसे रजिस्टर हो गया, उसके बाद में केवाईसी करना पड़ता है। केवाईसी करने के बाद में आपको डबल बोनस मिलता है। अब केवाईसी के बाद एक रिवॉर्ड मिलेगा, XYZ जो भी एक रिवॉर्ड होता है वो, ठीक है, हम आपको बताना नहीं चाहते, सरप्राइज है वो। जो भी एक रिवॉर्ड मिलेगा उसका सीधा 2x हो जाएगा, 2x डबल बोनस मिलेगा आपको। ये हो गया दूसरा। तीसरी चीज, जैसे ही आपने रजिस्टर कर लिया, केवाईसी कर लिया, ऑब्वियसली क्रिप्टो एक्सचेंज प्लेटफॉर्म में आयु क्यों हो, क्योंकि आपको ट्रेडिंग करनी है। ट्रेडिंग करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ता है? ट्रेडिंग करने के लिए डिपॉजिट करना पड़ता है। तो जब आप तीसरी स्टेप, जब आप मिनिमम $10 के ऊपर, 9.99 भी नहीं चलेगा, ठीक है, मैं पहले ही बोल दे रहा हूं, $9.99 भी नहीं चलेगा। $10 से लेके ऊपर जितना भी, $10 या उससे ऊपर अगर आप डिपॉजिट करते हो, पहला डिपॉजिट अगर आपका $10 या उसके ऊपर होता है, तो आपको मिलता है एक सरप्राइज मल्टीप्लायर। सरप्राइज मल्टीप्लायर क्या होता है? जैसे आपने वो ये दिखाई क्या, वो एक गेम था, वो कुछ तो क्या नाम था उसका, एविएटर, वो 2x 3x 4x 4x 5x भागता है ऊपर, राइट? तो उसी सेम, पर इसमें भाग कोई नहीं रहा है, आपको बस एक मल्टीप्लायर मिल रहा है। जैसे सबवे सर्फर में भागते हो तो एक 3x का मल्टीप्लायर दिखता है, तो जो भी आप कॉइन लेते हो उसका 3 गुना ज्यादा मिलता है आपको। तो ये होता है मल्टीप्लायर। वो मल्टीप्लायर आपको शायद तक 1x से लेके तो 100x तक का मिल सकता है। अब वो आपकी किस्मत पे डिपेंड करता है कि आपको कौन सा वाला मिल रहा है। ना ये हमें पता होता है, ना ये आपको पता रहेगा। ये सिस्टम में वो जो एक एल्गोरिथम में फिट है, वो उसी से आपको मिलेगा, ठीक है। आपको नहीं बोल के मे बी 2x मिल सकता है, मे बी 10x, मे बी 50x। इससे क्या होगा कि इसके पहले, जैसे आपने पहले स्टेप पे रिवॉर्ड लिया, दूसरे स्टेप पे रिवॉर्ड लिया, अब तीसरे स्टेप पे मल्टीप्लायर लिया। अब पहले 2 स्टेप पे जितना भी आपको प्रॉफिट मिला, मतलब जो भी रिवॉर्ड मिला, वो सीधा मल्टीप्लायर x से ना उतना हो जाएगा, दुगना। अगर 2x मिलेगा दुगना, 3x मिलेगा तो 3 गुना, 4x 4, 32, 16, कुछ भी हो सकता है, कुछ भी हो सकता है, ठीक है। उसके बाद में ये तो एक चीज हो गई सिर्फ रिवॉर्ड्स। ये जो नए नए यूजर जब डाउनलोड करेंगे तो ये उन्हें ये चीजें मिलेगी। इसके बाद हमने एक और इवेंट चालू किया है जिसका नाम है बग हंटिंग इवेंट। इसमें क्या होता है, आपको ना एक काम दिया जाता है,
एंड ये सबसे बेस्ट काम है इंडियन लोगों के लिए। क्यों? क्योंकि इंडियन लोग को ना नुक्स निकालने की सबसे मस्त आदत है कि उनको है मैं नुक्स निकाल सकता हूं किसी में भी। तो ये ऐप जब आप डाउनलोड करते हो उसमें बग्स होते हैं बहुत सारे। बग्स बोले तो मतलब कुछ चीजें नहीं चल रही ढंग से, अगर ऐसा हो सकता है, पॉसिबल है, ऐसा नहीं जरूरी नहीं किसी खराब ही खराब है ऐप, ऐसा नहीं है। गलती से अगर निकल जाए और आप वो ढूंढ लो तो आपको फिर हम पैसे देते हैं। पैसे कितने? $5 से लेके $50 तक की इनाम आप जीत सकते हैं। अब इसमें मैं क्राइटेरिया बता देता हूं। हाँ, यस, इसमें मैं क्राइटेरिया बता देता हूं। क्राइटेरिया कैसा होता है कि समझो एक ऐप है, अभी मैंने कोई एक ऑप्शंस होंगे, उस ऑप्शन को क्लिक करने के बाद अगर वो ऑप्शन नहीं खुल रहा है, थोड़ा लैग कर रहा है, थोड़ा कुछ और ही खुल जा रहा है, या फिर बहुत कंटिन्यूस टैप करने के बाद भी नहीं खुल रहा है, या कुछ और चीजें, जैसे नहीं कि अपनी आप iOS यूज करो शायद, राइट? जैसे अपने iOS में कैसा ना कुछ कुछ चीजें बग्स आ जाती है इसमें कि नहीं, मतलब कुछ ये नहीं चल रहा, इंस्टाग्राम नहीं चल रहा, इंस्टाग्राम डाउनलोड नहीं हो रहा, इंस्टाग्राम पे ये नहीं हो रहा, वो नहीं हो रहा, बग्स आते हैं। फिर अपने अपडेट आता है, अपडेट के बाद बग्स चले जाते हैं। सिमिलरली आप जितने बग्स हमारे, जितने नुक्स हमारे ऐप में निकालोगे उतने पैसे हम आपको देंगे। 5 से 15 अगर नुक्स निकाल सकते हो, 5 से 15, तो आपको $5 मिलेंगे। 16 से 30 नुक्स निकाल सकते हो तो आपको $10 मिलेंगे। 31 से लेके 50 नुक्स निकाल सकते हो तो आपको, एक सेकेंड मैं भूल गया हूं, एक सेकेंड, नुक्स बहुत है उसमें, कुछ तो था यार वो, हाँ, 5 से 15 बग्स निकालोगे। ब्रो मेरे साथ हो रहा है चीजी बिट में। क्या हो रहा है ब्रो? मेरे साथ हो रहा है चीजी बिट में। ऐसा क्या हो रहा है तुम्हारे साथ ब्रो? प्लीज बी वेरी स्पेसिफिक ब्रो, कि तुम्हारे साथ क्या हो रहा है और ये क्या कर रहे हैं तुम्हारे साथ। ऐसे गलत गलत चीजें ना करो ब्रो, मेरे साथ कुछ हो रहा है चीजी बिट में। बग्स आ रहे हैं, बग्स कुणाल शर्मा, बग्स आ रहे हैं चीजी बिट में, सॉरी जीबिट में, जीबिट बोला करो, अभी चीजी बिट नहीं रहे वो, बग्स, यस। तो इसमें कैसा होता है कि आप जितने बग, वेरी गुड आ रहे हैं ना, अच्छी बात है, पैसे मिलेंगे उस चीज के। अभी क्या करना है ना, एक तो मेरी डिस्क्रिप्शन में एक ईमेल लिखा होगा, जैसी बग मिल जाता है उसको पहले स्क्रीन रिकॉर्ड करो, प्रूफ तो चाहिए। अब ऐसा कोई आके बोल देगा मैंने 100 ढूंढ लिया, हम उसको $50 थोड़ी दे देंगे। पहले प्रूफ निकालो, एक स्क्रीन रिकॉर्डिंग करो कि ये देखो मैं कर रहा हूं फिर भी नहीं हो रहा है। नीचे उसके डिस्क्रिप्शन लिखो कि बग किस चीज का है, ये ऑप्शन काम नहीं कर रहा है, ये चीज नहीं है, ये वो जो भी उसका चीज होंगी वो थोड़ा छोटा सा 1 या 2 लाइन में लिख दो कि ये वाला बटन नहीं कर रहा, ये वाला बटन जो भी है वो कर दो। उसके बाद में एक तो डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक मिल जाएगी, या फिर जो Zbit का जो ऐप है उसी में हेल्प में जाओ, कॉन्टैक्ट अस करके भी ऑप्शन होगा, उसमें भी आप अगर वो मेल करते हो या फिर वो वीडियो के साथ में अपना चीजें भेजते हो तो वो काउंट होते रहेगा। और ये कैसा 2 महीने का इवेंट है, आप ना 2 महीने बैठ के ना ढूंढना है बस कि कितने में बग निकाल सकता हूं, इसमें कितने भी कर सकता हूं। उसमें भी मैं क्राइटेरिया बताता हूं, 5 से 15 बग निकालोगे $5 मिलेगा, 16 से 30 बग्स निकालोगे तो $10 मिलेगा, 31 से 70 बग्स निकालोगे, 31 से 70 बग्स निकालोगे तो $25 मिलेगा, 71 से लेके 99 बग्स निकालोगे तो आपको $35 मिलेगा। उसके बाद में अगर बहुत ही ज्यादा बग्स है, मतलब कि ऐप ही एकदम खराब है, 100 बग्स निकाल लिए 2 महीने में, 100 बग्स, तो आपको पूरा $50 आपके अकाउंट में क्रेडिट हो जाएगा। और ये क्रेडिट कब होगा मैं वो भी बता देता हूं। 2 महीने का इवेंट चालू है, 2 महीना पूरा आप जमा करो, जितने बग जमा कर सकते हो उतना बग जमा करो। बट एक चीज थोड़ा स्पेसिफिकली मेंशन कर देता हूं, जो स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक होंगी, अगर इफ इन केस उसमें अगर स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक है, जैसे ऑप्शन की स्पेलिंग थोड़ी गलत हो गई, अपनी किसी चीज की स्पेलिंग गलत हो गई, तो उसको बग काउंट नहीं करेगी। बग बोले तो सीरियस वाला कि मतलब ऐप ही क्रैश हो गया या फिर ऐप काम ही नहीं कर रहा है, वो ऑप्शन ही ओपन नहीं हो रहा है, कुछ मैं कर ही नहीं पा रहा हूँ ना, डिपॉजिट कर पा रहा हूँ, इसमें तकलीफें आ रही है, उसमें तकलीफें आ रही है। जो तकलीफें आ रही है ना, उस चीज को अपन रिकॉर्ड करना है, जमा करना है 2 महीने तक, और फिर भेजना है एक साथ में, ठीक है? जैसा हम काउंट करेंगे 1-2 महीने का इवेंट चालू हो गया, 2 महीने इवेंट खत्म हो गया, 2 महीने बाद टीम कैलकुलेट करेंगी, रिव्यू करेगी कि क्या क्या चीजें, किसने क्या क्या पकड़ा, किसने क्या 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 सब कुछ हुआ। उसके बाद में वो चीजें इवैल्यूएट करेंगी, जिनका जो जो नंबर होगा, आपका 50 हो गया, किसी का 30 32, जो भी एक नंबर हो गया, उन नंबर के हिसाब से उनको उनके वॉलेट में पैसा क्रेडिट हो जाएगा इन डॉलर्स। इसमें आप $5 से लेके $50 तक जीत सकते हो, सिर्फ नुक्स निकाल के। बताओ इससे अच्छा मौका मिलेगा कभी? एक मतलब एक ऐप में बस नुक्स निकालो और पैसे कमा लो यार। मैं तो वेट कर रहा हूं, मेरा iOS काम नहीं कर रहा है, बस मैं तो वेट कर रहा हूं, मैं तो इतने निकाल दो भाई। ठीक है, ठीक है। और लाइव स्ट्रीम पे आना बड़ा जरूरी है। लाइव स्ट्रीम पे ना क्रिप्टो के एनालिस्ट मिलती है लाइव स्ट्रीम पे। क्रिप्टो कहाँ जा रहा है, कैसे हो रहा है, थोड़ा ट्रेडिंग करना सिखाता हूँ मैं, मजा आता है। ठीक है, अभी सिर्फ 20 मिनट बाकी है, 4 बजे मैं चले जाऊँगा और कल से 4 दिन मैं नहीं रहूँगा, कल से 4 दिन निदा रहेगी। मिलते हैं फिर कभी। ठीक है, तो असेंडिंग ट्रायंगल समझ लेते हैं अभी। ये तीसरा पार्ट हो गया चार्ट पैटर्न का। ठीक है, असेंडिंग ट्रायंगल समझ लेते हैं अभी। असेंडिंग ट्रायंगल होता क्या? सबसे पहले तो एक कंटिन्यूस चार्ट पैटर्न है। कंटिन्यूस चार्ट पैटर्न का मतलब क्या होता है कि एक होता है रिवर्सल, जिसमें ना चीजें बदल रही है, एक ऊपर गया तो दूसरा नीचे जाएगा। ये कैसे होगी? बदल गई चीजें। जैसे कि मैं पेंसिल से समझा देता हूँ ना, हाथ से क्यों समझाना है? ओके ब्रो। हाँ, तो रिवर्सल कैसा होता है कि एक चीज ऊपर जा रही है, मार्केट ऊपर गया, थोड़ा देर इधर कंसोलिडेट किया और फिर नीचे गिर गया, इसको बोलते हैं हम रिवर्सल। पहले ऊपर गया और फिर नीचे आया, इसको हम रिवर्सल बोलते हैं। ठीक है, कंटिन्यूस क्या होता है कि मार्केट ऊपर गया, थोड़ी देर इधर इधर रिटेलर आए एंड उसके बाद वापस ऊपर चले गए, ऊपर से ऊपर। हम अभी ऊपर से ऊपर देखने वाली चीजें देख रहे हैं, और कंटिन्यूस में सिर्फ ऊपर से ऊपर नहीं, नीचे, फिर यहां पे रुक गया मार्केट और फिर नीचे चले गया। नीचे से नीचे भी होता है और ऊपर से ऊपर भी होता है। ठीक है यार, ये हिंदी में बड़ी गंदी लैंग्वेज है यार, ऐसे कुछ भी बोलता हूं ना, इतना गंदा दिमाग चालू हो जाता है मेरा। तो समझ गए? फिर उसके बाद में अभी चीज असेंडिंग ट्रायंगल को समझते, इसको चार्ट में कैसे ढूंढना है वो भी मैं बता देता हूं, ट्रेड कैसे करना है वो पहले चार्ट को समझ लो। ब्रो अब P2P Zbit में होगी, चीजी बिट चलेगा या नहीं? P2P अभी Zbit में होगी। P2P अभी Zbit पे होगी। अब वो एक ही ऐप है, वो सब करेगा, वो तुम जो बोलो करेगा वो। तो सबसे पहले एक कंटिन्यूस चार्ट पैटर्न है, पहले मार्केट गया ऊपर। मार्केट ऊपर क्यों जाता है? क्योंकि एक्टिव बाइंग चालू है। लोगों को दिख गया है कि पहले मार्केट ना बहुत छोटे दाम पे था, नीचे दाम पे था। जो एक प्राइस होता है, जैसे एग्जांपल बता रहा हूं कि जैसे बिटकॉइन हो गया, बिटकॉइन 100 की रेंज में चालू है अभी करंट में अपन देखें तो पूरा मार्केट 100 के डॉलर, ओके, सिर्फ 100 नहीं, 100 के मतलब $1,00,000 पकड़ लो यार। हाँ, $1,00,000 की रेंज में चालू हुआ है। अब 1,00,000 की रेंज से अगर वो 90 80 70 पे आ जाता है तो हमें क्या लगता है कि यार ये सही मौका है, अभी हमें बाय कर लेना चाहिए, क्योंकि ये अभी बहुत नीचे आ गया, यहां से ना ये ऊपर ही जंप करेगा, ये मुझे पता है। तो ऐसा ही सिचुएशन आती है, ये मार्केट नीचे रहता है, यहां पे ना हैवी बाइंग हो जाती है, इसलिए अपन अप ट्रेंड आ जाता है, एकदम हैवी बाइंग हो गई, क्योंकि सबको लग गया कि ये सबसे कम प्राइस रेंज में है अभी, यहां से हमें बाय करना चाहिए और आगे जाके हमें प्रॉफिट सेल कर देना चाहिए। जितना भी, अभी सबकी मेंटालिटी अलग होती है। कुणाल को 2 चाहिए होगा, 2% प्रॉफिट चाहिए होगा, मे बी प्रतीक को कुछ अलग चाहिए होगा, मे बी इसको कुछ, मेरे को 5% प्रॉफिट चाहिए, सबका अपना अलग अलग होता है। ठीक है, अब उसमें क्या होता है, घुसे सब साथ में, यहां पे सब घुस गए, घुसने वाले सब साथ में। अब यहां से निकलने का जो समय होता है वो सबका अपना अपना होता है। कोई 1% पे निकल गया, कोई 2% पे निकल गया, कोई 3 पे निकल गया, कोई 4 पे निकल गया, कोई 5 पे निकल गया। ये सबका अपना अपना परसेंट होता है। अभी निकल तो रहे हैं, पर इसी के साथ साथ नए लोग भी जुड़ते हैं। यहां पे नया ट्रेडर भी आ गया, यहां पे भी आ गए, यहां पे भी आ गए, यहां पे भी आ गए। इससे जो स्ट्रेंथ होती है ना, वो घटती बढ़ती रहती है।
बट एक चीज चालू है कि मार्केट बाय करने में लगा पड़ा है। निकलना मतलब एक जब जोर लगाते हैं कि भाई मैं खींच रहा हूं रस्सी, जम गई, सारे लोग खींच रहे रस्सी, चाहते हम जीते करके, उसके बाद कैसा होता है कि धीरे 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 स्ट्रेंथ कम होती है, एक एक बंदा कोई पीछा थक गया यार, मैं नहीं कर रहा ये सब, ये वो करना चालू कर देता है। तो उससे कैसा हो गया कि खींच तो रहे पर स्ट्रेंथ कम हो गई है। अभी मार्केट में सेम होता है, प्राइस जब एक नीचे प्राइस से ऊपर जाता है ना, स्टार्टिंग में जम के बाय करते हैं, पर ऊपर आते आते थोड़ा सा कम हो जाता है। क्यों? मैंने वो भी बताया कि जो बायर होता है, अभी मैंने एक चीज बाय कर ली, मेरे को सिर्फ 2% प्रॉफिट चाहिए था, मेरे को बस इतना ही, मैं मेरी फट गई, मैं बोला नहीं यार इससे ऊपर मैं नहीं जा पाऊंगा, शायद तक ये मार्केट गिर जाएगा ऐसा कुछ, तो मैंने वहां पे ही एग्जिट मार के मेरा प्रॉफिट लेके मैं निकल गया। अब मैं निकल गया मतलब स्ट्रेंथ कम हो गई, एक बंदा कम हो गया, ऐसे करते करते धीरे 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 बंदे कम हो जाते हैं, यहां आने तक पूरे ही बंदे कम हो जाते हैं। इसको हम बोलते हैं रेजिस्टेंस 1, R1। रेजिस्टेंस क्या होता है कि एक मार्केट जब ऊपर जा रहा है और उसे ये जाने ना दे, इसको बोलते हैं हम रेजिस्टेंस, कि कितना भी कोशिश कर ले ऊपर नहीं जा पा रहा है। ये हमारी इमेजिनेशन के लिए हो गया, बट एक्चुअल में क्या हो रहा है मार्केट में कि मेजॉरिटी चेंज हो जाती है। जैसे कि यहां पे सब लोगों ने बाय किया, 70% मान लेते 70% बाय कर रहे थे और 30% ये कर रहे थे, सेल कर रहे थे। अब ऊपर आते 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 जैसा मैंने बोला, इसमें से भी लोग निकल रहे हैं क्योंकि उनका प्रॉफिट बुक हो गया, वो निकल गए, प्रॉफिट बुक हो गया, निकल गए। इसमें से भी 70 में धीरे 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 करके निकल रहे। यहां आने तक कैसा होता है कि बैलेंस हो जाता है कंप्लीट। पहले यहां चल रहा था, बायर ऊपर चल रहे थे, सेलर नीचे चल रहे थे, अब धीरे 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 कम हुआ स्ट्रेंथ, फिर वापस इक्वल पोजिशन पे आ गए। अब यहां इक्वल पोजिशन पे आने के बाद क्या होता है कि पिछड़ा, अब मारेंगे, अब पीटेंगे, अब कुछ ना कुछ करके ना एक ट्रेंड लेंगे। एक तो ऊपर आ गए, अब नीचे वापस जा रहा है मार्केट, क्योंकि यहां पे ना 50-50 सिनेरियो हो गए। जब भी मार्केट में 50-50% दोनों लोग हैं, सेम बराबरी के बायर्स, सेम बराबरी के सेलर्स, एक चीज याद रखना, वो हमेशा मार्केट क्या होगा, साइडवेज जाएगा। ना ये ऊपर जाने देंगे, ना ये नीचे आने देंगे, ये वही रेंज में साइड में चलते रहेंगे, क्योंकि अभी दोनों बराबरी में चल रहे हैं। ठीक है, तो इसीलिए जब भी कैसा हुआ, मार्केट ऊपर आया, ये यहां तक स्ट्रेंथ था, बड़ा भर के स्ट्रेंथ था, नीचे गए थोड़ा सा और यहां पे हम साइड में जाने लग गए, ये साइड हो गया, और फिर यहां से हम वापस ऊपर जाएंगे। साइड में जाना मतलब वो समझ गया कि दोनों भी बराबरी पे है। जब बराबरी होती है तो ना कोई ऊपर जाता है ना कोई नीचे आता है, वो बस वही टिका पड़ा रहता है। ठीक है, तो ये हो गया अपना रेजिस्टेंस 1, जहां से मार्केट गिर गया नीचे, मार्केट गिरा गिरा गिरा, फिर जैसे मैंने बोला दोनों का सेम स्ट्रेंथ चालू है, अभी ना कोई ऊपर है ना कोई नीचे, दोनों बराबरी। ये इसने बनाया अपना सपोर्ट, पहला सपोर्ट बना लिया मार्केट ने, बुल्स ने, कि अभी और नीचे तो नहीं जाने देंगे भाई, तेरे को जितना नहीं डालना था डाल लिया, अब हम ऊपर ले जाएंगे। फिर ये ले गए, फिर इनका वही कांस्टेंट झगड़ा, ऊपर नीचे ऊपर नीचे ऊपर नीचे ऊपर नीचे, ये R2 ये बना S2 बना, नीचे आया सपोर्ट लिया, S2 बना, ऊपर गया R3 बना, रेजिस्टेंस वापस लिया, फिर नीचे आया, फिर S3 बना, ऐसे ऐसे करते करते किया। उसके बाद में क्या होता है ना, एक पॉइंट आता है, कभी भी एक देखना चार्ट पैटर्न कैसा होता है ना, एक स्प्रिंग जैसा होता है। जब भी एक ट्रेंड हो गया, उसके बाद में एक कूल ऑफ पीरियड आ गया, ये कि यहां पे हमको एक डिसीजन लेना है कि या तो हम ऊपर जाए या तो हम नीचे जाए, ये डिसीजन लेना है। अब इसमें क्या होता है कि ये जो बीच का पीरियड चल रहा है ना, वो ना स्प्रिंग जैसा होता है। तुम जितना इसको यहां पे दबा के रखोगे ना, ये उतना ही ऊपर या उतना ही नीचे फट जाएगा। ठीक है, अब ये जितना स्प्रिंग जैसा एकदम पूरा ये हो रहा है कि सारे लोग यहां आकर जमा हो जा रहे हैं कि यार मैं यहां जा रहा हूं, 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 ये दब रहा है, मार्केट पूरा दब रहा है यहां पे। जैसे ही एक पूरा जोर लगा के बैठे हैं, जैसे ही एक का पल्ला खत्म हो गया, एक खाली हो गया, सट करके आगे बढ़ता है, स्प्रिंग जैसा ना, स्प्रिंग को स्क्वीज करते तो छोड़ देते तो सट करके आगे बढ़ता है, वैसे ये मार्केट में चार्ट पैटर्न काम करते हैं। एक ब्रेकआउट मिल गया ना, जैसे ये मार्केट गया, हमने क्या किया, एक सेकंड, कचरा बहुत हो गया, मैं साफ करने दो, कचरा बहुत हो गया। ठीक है, तो ये पहला रेजिस्टेंस, ये दूसरा रेजिस्टेंस, ये पहला सपोर्ट और दूसरा सपोर्ट, जैसे ही बन गया, दो चीजें करनी है। क्या है वो दो चीजें? नाइस वॉच ब्रो, थैंक्स ब्रो, थैंक्स। तो समझ गया कि क्या करनी है। जैसे पहला दो रेजिस्टेंस बन गए,
और दो सपोर्ट बन गए। ये ना यहाँ पे ये ना एक टूल है, ये ट्रेंड लाइन बोलते हैं इसको, यहाँ पे क्लिक करने का और दोनों पॉइंट को मैच कर देने का। उसको कैसा हो जाएगा, एक रेंज मिल जाता है कि ये रेंज में मार्केट घूम रहा है। ट्रेंड लाइन से दो लाइन खींच देना। यहां पे समझना एक चीज जरूरी कि हर चार्ट पैटर्न की ट्रेंड लाइन अलग होती है। जैसे असेंडिंग में कैसा होता है कि सारे रेजिस्टेंस जो है, सारे जो R1 R2 R3 R4 बन रहा है वो एक ही लाइन में बन रहा है, एक ही लाइन में। पर जो सपोर्ट है वो धीरे 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 ऊपर जा रहा है। क्यों जा रहा है? क्योंकि जल्दी ही बाय हो जा रहा है। यहाँ पे बायर का जो स्ट्रेंथ है वो दिख रहा होगा कि धीरे धीरे बढ़ रहा है। पहले नीचे गिरा, यहां तक, सॉरी यहां तक गिरने का वेट किया, सेकेंड टाइम में वहां तक गिरने का वेट ही नहीं किया, जल्दी ही उठा दिया। उसके तीसरे इसमें वापस और जल्दी उठा दिया, चौथे इसमें और जल्दी उठा दिया। इससे क्या हो रहा है कि जो सेलर है, एक सेकेंड, इससे क्या हो जा रहा है कि जो सेलर है वो सेलर उतना ये नहीं कर पा रहा है, रेजिस्ट नहीं कर पा रहा है। बायर का स्ट्रेंथ धीरे 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 बढ़ते बढ़ते जा रहा है। ठीक है, तो फिर वहां से वो बढ़ते बढ़ते गया। अब इसको हम कंडीशंस बोलते हैं। अगर स्पेसिफिकली असेंडिंग ट्रायंगल जैसे चार्ट पैटर्न बहुत सारे हैं, ठीक है, मेजर वाले मेन वाले मैं बता रहा हूं, ठीक है, चार्ट पैटर्न बहुत सारे हैं। अगर तुम मेन वाले में देखो, सबका ना अलग अलग होता है। इसे कंडीशन जानना बहुत जरूरी है। इसकी पहली कंडीशन असेंडिंग ट्रायंगल क्यों है ये जानना है, तो सबसे पहले पता करो ये ट्रेंड कौन सा है। सबसे पहले मार्केट होना चाहिए अप ट्रेंड में, ये होगी पहली कंडीशन। दूसरी कंडीशन हो गई कि ये सारे रेजिस्टेंस एक ही लाइन में होनी चाहिए। थोड़ा 0.0 पॉइंट का फर्क रहा उससे फर्क नहीं पड़ता, एकदम ड्रास्टिक ऊपर नीचे नहीं होना चाहिए। थोड़ा ये सेम है, थोड़ा ऐसा हल्का ऊपर नीचे हो चलता है, उसका कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, पर वो होने सेम लाइन में चाहिए। ठीक है, ये हो गया सेकंड कंडीशन। तीसरी कंडीशन की जो अपना सपोर्ट है, ये अभी नीचे वाला सपोर्ट है, ये सपोर्ट ले रहा है मार्केट, नीचे गिर रहा है, सपोर्ट ले रहा है, ऊपर भाग रहा है, नीचे ले रहा है, सपोर्ट आ रहा है, ऊपर भाग रहा है। अब ये सपोर्ट ना उड़ते हुए रहना चाहिए, एक उड़ते हुए तीर पे ही रहना चाहिए। वो यहां से हमेशा वो ऊपर 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 ही जाना चाहिए। अगर ये नीचे गिरा तो इसका मतलब ये असेंडिंग ट्रायंगल नहीं है। समझ गए? ठीक है, असेंडिंग ट्रायंगल की तीन कंडीशन। पहला, मार्केट अप ट्रेंड में रहना चाहिए। दूसरा, रेजिस्टेंस सारे एक लाइन में होनी चाहिए, थोड़ा इधर उधर 1-2 का फर्क रहा, 19-20 का फर्क रहा, उससे फर्क नहीं पड़ता। पर सपोर्ट हर एक सपोर्ट दूसरे सपोर्ट से ऊपर होना चाहिए। जैसे ये S2 S1 से ऊपर है, S3 S2 से ऊपर है और S4 S3 से ऊपर है, ये होना ही चाहिए। ठीक है, उसके बाद में जब भी ब्रेकआउट आ गया, ब्रेकआउट ऑब्वियसली कैंडल देगी, ये अपनी कैंडल होगी जो ब्रेकआउट देती है। ब्रेकआउट के यहां पे एक तो बहुत सारे लोग क्या करते हैं, जिनको रिस्क लेना आता है कि मैं रिस्क ले लूंगा, मेरे को कोई टेंशन नहीं है, वो यहाँ पे नहीं, जैसे ये लाइन क्रॉस हो जाती है, जैसे हमने लाइन बना दिया था, ये R1 R2 से चिपक के हमने लाइन बना दिया था। जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे, जैसे अगर मैं इसी को देखता हूं, मैंने क्या किया, यहाँ पे मैक्सिमम टाइम सपोर्ट लिया मार्केट ने। ये मार्केट यहाँ सपोर्ट लिया, ऊपर गया, नीचे आया, फिर सपोर्ट लिया, फिर गया, ऊपर आया, नीचे आया, फिर सपोर्ट लिया, फिर आया, ऊपर आया, फिर सपोर्ट लिया। ठीक है, ये चीजें क्या हो गई, ये S1, ये S2, ये S3, ये S4, ये S5, ये सपोर्ट्स हो गए। ठीक है, अब इसमें क्या हो गया, मैंने बस इन सारी सपोर्ट को जोड़ के लाइन खींच दिया, सेम लाइन यहां खींचना है बस। और वो लाइन का जब एक कैंडल तोड़ देता है, वहां पे जो रिस्क लेता है, अगर आपको रिस्क लेना आता है तो लो, नहीं आता है तो उसका भी कोई टेंशन नहीं, उसका भी हल है मेरे पास। रिस्क आता है तो ये लाइन ऐसी, ये कैंडल लाइन के ऊपर गया, खरीद लो। ठीक है, कंडीशन मैच करके, पर क्योंकि कंडीशन से ही समझेगा कि कंटिन्यूअस वाला चार्ट पैटर्न है कि रिवर्सल वाला चार्ट पैटर्न है। उससे ये क्या समझेगा कि एक जो अगर कंटिन्यूअस है तो ऊपर का ऊपर ही जाएगा, पर अगर यही रिवर्सल हो गया तो ये ऊपर का फिर नीचे जाएगा। समझ गए? ठीक है, तो जैसे ही पता चल गया थोड़ा सा, हाँ, ये यहां पे बाय कर लिया। अगर रिस्क नहीं लेना है तो कैंडल को क्लोज होने दो। अगर बड़ी कैंडल बन रही है, जैसे देखिए बहुत बार क्या होता है कि जहां पे ये होती है अपनी कैंडल, वो ब्रेकआउट कैंडल कभी कभी ना बहुत ही बड़ी बन जाती है, एकदम कि बड़े वॉल्यूम में ब्रेकआउट मिल गया एकदम। उस टाइम पे क्या करना है कि अगर बहुत बड़ी कैंडल बन रही है ना, उसके 50% पे बाय कर लो। ये कैंडल पूरी कैंडल है, यहाँ पे आधी कैंडल पे बाय कर लो। तुम बाय कर लिया, उसके नीचे के जो 2 कैंडल होंगी, चेक करो कि कौन सा लो सबसे ज्यादा अच्छा है, सबसे ज्यादा मतलब प्रॉमिसिंग लग रहा है, उस पे वहां पे अपना SL लगा लो, प्रॉफिट सेम प्रॉफिट, R1 से लेके S1 का जो डिस्टेंस आता है, जो भी डिस्टेंस होगा उतना ही प्रॉफिट आपको ऊपर मिलेगा जो यहाँ पे होने वाला है अभी, ठीक है। जैसा मैंने यहाँ पे बोला कि इसका जो डिस्टेंस होता है हेड एंड शोल्डर पैटर्न में, यहां से यहां तक का डिस्टेंस, यहां से यहां तक का प्रॉफिट होता है, वही सेम यहां पे होता है। R1 से लेके S1 का जो डिस्टेंस होगा वही आपका प्रॉफिट होगा, ठीक है। अभी ये पैटर्न हम समझते हैं चार्ट में। लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड दिस चार्ट पैटर्न इन दी चार्ट। Okay, let's understand. We have to find ascending one where the resistance is at the same level but the support is also going up. Okay, this is the two things we have to check out. One thing which we have to check out is that the resistance should be at the same level. First, the market should be in an uptrend, resistance same level, support rising, and then we get an uptrend again. मिल गया, ठीक है। ये हो गया अपना असेंडिंग ट्रायंगल। अब इसमें ट्रायंगल दिख रहा है यहाँ पे, ये अपना ट्रायंगल का ये हो गया, यहां से सपोर्ट उड़ रहा है और यहां से रेजिस्टेंस सेम ही लेवल पे चालू है। दिख गया ट्रायंगल पूरा असेंडिंग ट्रायंगल। You saw that ascending triangle completely as it is. You will clearly see first the market was in an uptrend, then we saw that resistance is going in a one path. After that we can clearly see that support is also rising. Now let's calculate the distance. The distance between R1 and S1 is 0.78%. Now from there if we check the breakout, it will give you exactly that. 1.2% profit we got from that. It promised at how much percent? It promised at 0.78, but it gave us 1.20. The promising is the distance between R1 and S1, the resistance line and the support line, that is compulsory that you will be getting. But other than that, if the market is having a good volume, maybe you can get more as well. This is the first condition. Now let's understand the second condition. Let's check out more examples. I have like almost 3 minutes left, so I'll be leaving in 3 minutes. So we'll be checking out all the three, and then I will be leaving. Uptrend, 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 resistance almost same now. This is not the one. हाँ, this is ये वापस ascending. This is also an ascending triangle. ब्रो ऐप कब तक लॉन्च होगी iOS में? दो यार, दो कुछ समय दो। मैं क्या ही बोलूँ, I really don't know कि कब होगी, बट मेरे हिसाब से the thing I'm thinking, like according to me, I really feel that it will be launched in 1 to 2 weeks. The process, the verification process and every other thing is taking a little bit of time, but I really think that it will be get launched in 1 to 2 weeks. 1 to 2 weeks it will be getting launched. So like I was saying that I will be showing you how ascending triangle looks in the chart as well. So first we verify all the conditions. First condition was that the market should be in an uptrend. Yes, the market is in an uptrend. We saw an up growth over here. All the resistance is at a very similar price range. I never said that it should be same. Similar, a little bit up and a little bit down, that is totally fine. We saw that resistance is at the same range, and we can also see that the support is also gradually going up. Can you see the exact pattern which I created in the diagram, like going up zigzag, zigzag, zigzag? we got a breakout and a shoot up. Now at this point, the target we see is the resistance between R1 and S1, which is again 0.777, but the profit we'll be getting from here to here is 2.82%. This is how you should conquer and skills of analyzing, understanding and finding out the chart patterns in the chart, which will make your trading very, very profitable, risk-free trading. Because see, I have already told you 3 possibilities of the chart pattern. One, it will happen exactly the way it's supposed to be, like this is that one pattern which is happening. The second scenario might come key, there will be a fake breakout scenarios or a retest of the market. It is just for the liquidity grab. What market does is, whenever market thinks that right now I need liquidity, अब liquidity होती क्या है? Liquidity is basically, yes bro, please launch. Yes, we will launch. Soon we will launch. अब what is liquidity? Liquidity is basically, से अपन कार चलाते हैं, कार को चलने के लिए पेट्रोल चाहिए, मार्केट को चलने के लिए पैसा चाहिए. मार्केट का प्रॉफिट तुम्हारा लॉस, तुम्हारा प्रॉफिट मार्केट का लॉस. अंडरस्टैंड दिस साइकोलॉजी. Whatever stop loss you are having, for example, this is your trade, this is your stop loss. You might feel sometime the market just came down to grab that stop loss and then went up. ये इसको लिक्विडिटी बोलते हैं. कैसा होता है कि जैसा ये हो गया, मार्केट घूम रहा है, यहां पे ब्रेकआउट मिल गया, ऊपर गया, फिर नीचे आया एंड फिर ऊपर चले गया. अब ये चीज क्या है? दिस इज लिक्विडिटी ग्रैब. मार्केट को तुम्हारा स्टॉप लॉस चाहिए है, मतलब चाहिए है. दैट इज मार्केट्स प्रॉफिट. मार्केट अपना प्रॉफिट कैसे छोड़ेगा? तुम्हारे पैसा ही उनका प्रॉफिट है. तुम्हारा लॉस्ट पैसा, तुम्हारा जीता हुआ नहीं, तुम्हारा हारा हुआ पैसा उनका प्रॉफिट है. तो तुमको हराने के लिए वो ये सब चीजें करते हैं. लिक्विडिटी जानबूझ के, द मार्केट विल बाय नो रीजन दे विल कम डाउन जस्ट टू ग्रैब द लिक्विडिटी एंड गो अप. अब मैं इसका ना बहुत सिंपल सा एक इंडिकेटर बताता हूं, अगर जानना है तो. ये इंडिकेटर पे गए, जस्ट सर्च inducement stop hunt TFO. You click on this indicator and यहां पे जाके ना, एक सेकेंड, सेटिंग, गो ना सेटिंग एंड आई वांट टू चेंज द इनपुट. यहां पे फ्रॉम द डॉट गो टू द सॉलिड एंड प्लस ओके. नाउ वेरेवर, अरे यार 1 second, now wherever there is a liquidity grab, that market went up from here, came down just to grab the liquidity and went up. This indicator, this wherever you will find this line, it will tell you that how many times the market came and majority of the stop losses were gone from the market. This is what this indicator tells. This can help you to be saved from a liquidity trap. So be aware of the situation, and my timing is up now, so I'll be leaving all you people. So thank you so much for all of the people for joining this live stream and being a part of the Zbit and ZbitX platform. I really enjoy coming here, talking to you people, giving you knowledge and every other stuffs. But please make sure that you are sharing this video, liking this video and subscribing to all of our platform. And we have also made a new Instagram account which is especially for just Zbit. You can check out, you can see my face over there, you can see my reels and all those kind of stuff. So that please make sure that you're following thing, because major update when the app is gonna come, or what changes, or what the live stream changes, or all those kind of stuff may be updated you through Instagram stories. So please make sure that you are following our Instagram page and sharing it also to the major people who are willing to have a financially freedom in their whatever year, like about 20s. If they want to have financial freedom, make sure that you are sharing this channel to them, because this is a one platform which can give you a chance to have a financially freedom. That is just basically learning a trading, adding that passive income in your salaried account. Like every people are a salaried account right now. If you want to have a sideway income, have that saving little from the salary and use it in the trading. Because rather than having a business and blah and blah, rather than that, the effortless money which you can save, which you can make, is from the trading. It can help you to gain a good amount of profit. And we have already seen this one very specific thing, that the cryptocurrency is going up up like crazy. We have seen like from $20,000 to the $100,000, like within just 10 hours. Tell me one stock, one commodities, one gold or silver or any jewel which has jumped from this price range to that price range within 5 to 6 to 10 years. Nothing. That's the reason that digital currency is right now holding the number one price of the most expensive currency in the whole world. Bitcoin is trading at, let's say, the current price range. Bitcoin is trading at 105.6. There is no such coin which is worth $1 lakh for one coin. There is no such coin. But Bitcoin is. That's why please leave those traditional way of doing your trading. Leave the traditional way of having the final like SIPs, the mutual funds. See, I know it is a safe fund, but the banks are also doing the same with your money. You give the money to the bank, they take it, they invest in something. From there, they are the one who is getting the huge profit, and they are the one, and you are the one who is giving the small interest, like yearly 3%, 4% kind of interest. You can have it that in one day, because the crypto market is having the huge volatility, the most huge volatility compared to the stocks, commodities you can get in the Bitcoin. In one day, $1 can be up, $1 can be lost. Okay, so thank you so much for joining this live stream. Thank you so much. I'll be taking a leave. I won't be coming here for the 4 days now. I have a leave for the 4 days. After that, I will be coming for straight 8 straight days. Okay, so see you after 4 days. Thank you so much for joining this live stream. My name is Yashpur and I am signing off.